Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome back to another London session, gang. Wow, London session stream. Guys, having a day off has obviously not served me well. Good morning, everybody. Good morning to the London gang. I hope everyone's doing amazing. Hope everyone had an amazing long weekend. I obviously am feeling a little more on the tired side, but makes no sense because we had the day off on Friday. So there you go, guys. I'm back though, ready to lock in for a fresh week. It's Monday. Everybody loves Monday because we can get back on the charts. And Friday, I hope everyone crushed it. If you guys did trade, I mean, we did have that half day. I personally did not trade, but if you guys did, I hope you guys crushed it. I hope you guys crushed it if you were trading it already overnight. There has been some moves in the market. Looking at NASDAQ here, we did have quite the pump to the upside on NASDAQ from the Asia session. And we will get into that in a minute. But for now, let me just say good morning to those who are here. Yes, hashtag London Gang. I see that in the chat. All right. Good morning, Jalen Trades. Good morning, Miss K. Good morning, Southern Boy. Good morning, Is Destiny Samson. Good morning, Maxwell. Good morning, Logie 4K. Good morning, Goyle. Good morning, Amia. Mr. Mojo's here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Kim. Good morning, Realist. PO Trek. Good morning, Mike Plays. Stephen Quacker. Vurang. Truan. Quantum. Vanna, good morning. Good morning to you all, guys. I hope everyone's ready to lock in for a 3-hour session. Hope you guys weren't too bored without us on Friday. But let's get into it. So here is NASDAQ. This is the daily. We are 1 minute into Frankfurt Open. Nothing has happened too crazy just yet. And Roman has put a poll on there. So make sure you go drop in whether you're bullish or bearish, and then we'll see how that result turns out in a second. All right, so this is NASDAQ from the daily. I'll go through it, drop down from the daily, let you know what I'm looking at as per usual on NQ, and then you guys can tell me if I'm crazy or what you're looking at and whether you're in trades already. But for now, so this is the current daily setup. What we have on NQ that I like the look of for the bulls. Let me actually bring this to the September. All right. These are September contracts now. So what we had was this Wednesday, the 17th of June, this drop to the downside that actually filled in this new week opening gap is what I like the look of for the bulls. So the fact that we dropped down, we have actually filled this gap now and had a nice bullish closure on Thursday. For me, that signals that is a nice continuation move to the upside, at least to the next swing high on the daily, which is this level here, which is Tuesday the 16th high, and that level is sitting at 30,975. That is the next high on the daily that I'm looking at to get taken out. Besides that level, then we have that all-time high, 31,100 is the next level beyond that. So those are the levels I'm looking at to the upside. In terms of the price action right now on the lower time frames, this is the 4-hour. Current 4-hour candle has come close to sweeping that previous 4-hour high, but has not swept its high yet. I'd be more interested in taking longs today, given that we are bullish on the high time frame on the daily. Also, this sweep and push up action that we had. This is also the 4-hour. This is the open candle from the weekly open. So this candle that was a 6 p.m. candle had dropped down, swept out this swing low on the 4-hour, and then had a nice buying week left behind and a bullish close here. So I don't think we're going to get down to sweep out Asia low today after this nice clean sweep action. I would assume, or I would expect potentially a move to the upside to continue this now that we've had this level swept. But if we are to head to the downside in the session today, definitely levels I'm eyeing up is Asia low and then previous day low. But I don't expect us to get all the way down there because we did have quite a significant move. That range there from Asia low to high right now is 321 points. So quite a lot, but it's quite a big Asia session as of late. And that is what we're looking at right now. So a bit indecisive for me, honestly. I would prefer to be, there you go, that's previous 4-hour high sweep just now. But I would prefer to be on the side of bulls, just given that the higher time frame is screaming bullish. Also, again, the 15-minute having this similar price action that we're seeing on the 4-hour with this drop into previous into a FEG, bullish FEG here, and then a continuation move to the upside. So that's what I would expect to happen today. I will see now that previous 4-hour high has been swept. I'm actually model would tell me to look for a short setup, but if this continues to print and break highs, I will actually look for a long setup today. A little bit outside the plan, but using my discretion there, and just gonna see what the market gives us. Not going to force anything, that's for sure. It is Monday, of course. Let's check what news actually we have this week. For the week, we have no red folder US news today. What do we have for the week ahead? We've got nothing until Thursday. No red folder US news until Thursday, where we have core PC price and final GDP. So it might be an interesting week in that regard with no red folder news. Let's see. Good morning to you all. I can see a good morning's dropping in there now. Leigh says, hey everyone, summer holidays have started here and we will be spending a lot of time with the family in the mornings. I'm short on oil. Very nice, Leah, from 75.71, aiming for Friday's low TP at 72.92. Much love. Amazing. Enjoy those summer holidays, Leah. I love that. Why not? And appreciate you dropping in here to say good morning anyway. I hope you enjoy your day and go smash that crude oil trade. Is this sweeping Asia highs? Okay. Yes, my Asia high has been swept, but I know a lot of you don't trade with the same kill zone hours as me. So yes, my Asia high is this level at 30,659. That level has been swept. So for me, yes. For others, potentially no. Jalen says, I prefer longs as well. Story flashes. I'm about to hit TP on NQ. Okay, yes, guys, drop in here whether you're already in a trade. I want to know whether you've been in sales or buys, whether you've hit TP already, whether you haven't traded yet. I'm going to see where this poll is at as well. The poll has come in. It hasn't finished yet, but 81% of you are bullish. So we're all on the same page there. We all want to see this market go up. And in terms of the US-Iran conflict, I still think it's good to see bullishness now on the indices. I think I don't think the deal has been closed officially, but it is digitally signed, if my research is correct. I think they have actually come to a formal agreement to end this conflict. So that is great for the indices. That means bulls should come out to play and we should see the markets rally. Celine, did you have a setup in Asia? No, I did not. I did not trade Asia session. So no. Jalen trades just closed longs for me a few minutes ago. Nice. Jigglypuff, no trades for me. Love the username. No trades yet for me. Good morning, Cyriluki. Long from 30,650. So a lot of people in longs or either haven't traded, but no one taking a stab at shorts. Oh, Kyle says, I tried to short, didn't go my way. Not a great start for the week, but I just wasn't patient enough. I didn't wait for the candle closure. It didn't respect my zone. Well, Kyle, at least you know what you didn't follow this time round. I mean, that's great. Already you know exactly where you went wrong and what exactly you need to do next time. But that happens to a lot of us. Good morning. Good morning, chicken. If you can see Nick, I can't see Nick, but Kalimera. Nick will be joining us soon though, chicken. So stay tuned. Nick will be on in roughly 50 minutes, just under an hour. So guys, actually on that, we need, I'm going to say 400 likes to bring Nick on here and 475 likes for the first giveaway. You guys have been crushing. If you guys were here last week, I hope you guys were, but we have been crushing likes on the London session stream. So 475 for the first giveaway is actually not that bad. You guys were smashing like 1,000 likes last week. So especially because we weren't here Friday. I mean, I should actually make it a little bit tougher because I should make it 2 streams worth of likes. But no, I'll do 475 likes for the first giveaway and 400 to bring Nick on. Go and smash the like button if you're just joining. Get comfy. We're about to lock in. It's a 3-hour London session. I'm also half waking up, guys. Bear with me. Ching says, Kalimera, hope Greek is treating you all well because the language can be tough. So hopefully Greeks ain't too harsh to you. Actually, they're not. A lot of people speak English here, Chicken, and I'm slowly understanding more and more Greek. So I can pretty much, they can speak to me in Greek and I can pretty much respond back in English or very like simple Greek, like yes, no. The other day I was ordering bukatsa and she was speaking fluent Greek to me and I was just responding yes, no to all of her questions. So I'm getting by. That's for sure. I'm not fluent at all, but I'm slowly starting to understand more and more. Good morning, CMA. Torres, good morning, Celine. Trust all went well. Trust all seem well, feeling great. What? That first sentence, either I'm not reading that right or you mistyped that. But it says, I hit my targets on this race along the best feeling when you were done early and not need to trade anymore. Yes, what a feeling being able to just come into pre-London session, take a trade, smash CP, and then go on with the rest of your day. That is like highlight of my day. Whenever I can smash a trade out before a London session and then just chill the rest of the day is best feeling. Well, even just hitting a trade as early as the London session and then being able to take, usually I'm most likely if I've hit a good trade in London, I probably won't trade New York, just not going to risk it. So that's always good because then you can have a break. Celine Dion sing us a song. No. Oh, Totoro says trust all is well. Thank you. Yes, all is well. Guys, what did you do on Friday? How did everyone spend their half day or no trading day? Myself, I was running around furniture shopping Friday. And I can officially say that I'm almost done with all the furniture shopping for the new place. Almost. Most things have been ordered now. But damn, it is a lot to buy furniture for your new place. To those who have done it, I respect that. It takes a lot. Good morning, Forex. Quantum says, I got the Asia session, managed to collect a few coins for the London session. Now I'll just be your unpaid company for the rest of the day because my trading finger has started acting suspiciously. Quantum, you can sit right there. I mean, you've done the best part. You've made your money. Now you can just sit here, chill with the London session gang, and hopefully you don't get influenced to trigger that button to trade because you have, I mean, if you have to lock yourself out, do it. But you've already collected that money. So there is no need for you to be back in these markets unless you get an A+ setup. Well, then there's always a need, but right now I am not seeing anything. I do like the longs. I do like this 15-minute pullback and then push up. Looking at this, where's my rectangle? Looking at this 15-minute bullish gap here. We did have a nice drop down into that gap and then this 15-minute candle close. I'm almost liking just to take a buy from here. Honestly, very different for me, but that's how I'm reading it today. I don't think the play is going to be, although yes, structurally, model-wise, I would be looking for the sell here. I just don't like it as much given the context. Like this drop, this bullish, like at least these equal highs are the next target, and then you've got a daily open here, and then you've got previous day highs. So there is a few levels there. Good morning. Angia's already putting the ones in the chat. Good morning, Justin. Good morning, Loop. Justin says, I have to make money, so I will go at 2:45. 2:45 a.m. Is that what time you guys are trading? That is wild. It's 9:14 in the morning here, and I'm just managing. But trading at 2 in the morning is crazy. Kyle Cruz, what is your A+ setup? What what all do you look for when you're taking a trade? Okay, so when I'm taking an A+ setup, obviously, if you've been watching the stream for long enough, there are a few things that I need to happen in my trade. So first and foremost, there needs to be a sweep of the previous 4-hour high. This is for a bearish scenario. So we'd need a sweep of the previous 4-hour high to have been taken. That needs to align with a sweep of the previous 15-minute high. So as you can see, right now, that previous 15-minute high is still intact, hasn't been swept. So say we were to trade up and sweep out that high, then I'm looking for an immediate reaction on the 1 minute within the first 10 minutes of that 15-minute candle to the downside. So a bearish reaction for me is the 1 minute inversion for value gap. So that is when a bullish gap gets inverted. So that is this, for example. This is not a trade right now that I'd be taking, obviously, because that previous 15-minute high is still intact. But if this gray box here was to be closed over by a bearish candle, that would be the bearish inversion I'm looking for to enter at market. Now, what would make that A+? Like, that is the framework. But what would make that A+ is if we were tapping into a 4-hour bearish gap and then taking shorts out of that. Those are always my cleanest trades. And then targeting the previous 4-hour low as a full target, or the Asia session low. So that is the A+ version of it. Obviously, I take trades given the context. Like right now, I'm saying I could potentially have a trade in here, but it wouldn't be A+, so I'm not really willing to take it. I'm, analyzing the entire context. Sometimes you can be so zoomed in on a 1 minute chart and like, yes, the setup prints, but what else is happening on a higher time frame that I should be aware of? So for example, this 15-minute structure, having dropped down into this bullish gap and then having a nice bullish candle close above these highs is telling me that the bears are the less likely to get involved now. That sweep action needs to look a lot different if I'm getting involved. For example, I don't really want to be shorting into a bullish 15-minute gap that has already been traded into here. So it's not going to be the cleanest short. And that is why I am looking for longs currently. Carlos, it's 1:30 a.m. here right now. I'm at work. What, Carl? What do you do for work to be working at those hours? That's crazy. Morning, Bashi. Good morning. Good morning. Quantum says there is no but in between, even if it's an A+ setup delivered by angels approved by the trading gods and personally signed by the market maker. I'm just going to watch. Let's go, Quantum. You know exactly how to be disciplined and how to lock in. So that is a mentality a lot of us need. Just sit and watch. Don't pull the trigger. All right, now everyone is updating me. So Drops Trade says it's 1:15 a.m. there to 4:15 p.m. for you, XAU. So everyone is all over the world in different time zones. And yet we're here for the London session, gang. Actually, let's check what our likes are at already. I know we're only 20 minutes in, but I need to see. We are at only 115 likes, 116 because I forgot to like it, but now I have 116 likes and we need 400 to bring Nick on. So do the work, you will be rewarded. So, hey Celine, just a random question. Do you know who the Prime Minister of India is? That is such a random question. No, I don't. I mean, why? Very strange. 10 lots of FXs. Since you moved to Greece, your energy changed, Celine. I think we can conclude you're not a morning person. Wait, that is actually funny because I'm not. Oh, you know what? Some days I can be, but the World Cup has been throwing me off, I'll be honest. I've been watching games at all hours of the morning. I was up watching Spain yesterday, Belgium yesterday. I've been watching so much football that it's just, I can't sleep. The last game here finishes at like 3 a.m. Not that I was watching that, but I did watch the 10 p.m. game, which finished like just after 12. And then by the time I'm sleeping and then getting up, it's like, it's not solid. I need to sort out something else because the World Cup is screwing with me. But I will get a coffee I have not had caffeine yet, so I will get a coffee later. Once Nick comes on, I will go and make myself a coffee, and then I'll come back with extra energy. But I am still warming up. By the way, who's going to be... So Story Flashes, I'm from London. Are you guys coming to the Prop Expo this week? You guys better be. Especially if you're London gang from London. You better be there. Nishti, you'll have to take that up with support. Just open a ticket with support. They will help you there. Drops Trey says, yeah, I don't watch a game where a bunch of sissies kick a ball around. Hey, don't bag football, Grandpa. Football is my favorite sport. That and paddle, actually. Paddle comes close. I found a paddle court near my house, so Nick and Chicken are actually screwed because I'm about to be joining that club and practicing daily for that paddle tournament. They have no idea what's coming. All right, still moving slowly to the upside here. I'm watching these highs in NQ as the first target. If you guys are in these longs, this high is definitely where I'm looking as a first target. Let's have a look. This here is the 15-minute gap. I'll just label that. Celine, who do you think will win the World Cup? Okay, well, who do I think will win, or who do I want to win? Right now, honestly, okay, yeah, let's talk about it. USA kicked Australia's ass on Friday. That was bad. But USA actually look good as a team. I don't think they can go all the way. Who else? Obviously, actually, Germany looked good. England is looking good. I want England to win because I need them to win for our sweepstake at work. But I actually think England could go all the way this year. They haven't won it in like 80 years or something, but they've got a really good squad right now. So England. I'm going to say England. We'll see. By the way, everyone has probably seen that we are doing the World Cup prediction markets. It's going to be... So it's from Random 32. And I hope everyone is ready to be betting against me because I, for some reason, am right now cursed with betting. I said Australia has to win, Australia versus US, and then Australia gets smashed. So my record with betting has not been good. So if you guys hear that I'm betting, not betting, but I'm predicting someone to win in the World Cup, you guys just better go against me. That's how you're going to make a lot of money. Tornado says London gang from Cape Town. Hell yeah. Shout out South Africa. Kick the kangaroos back. Yeah. You guys, US really smashed Australia. That was a terrible game. Terrible from the Aussies. I think we still have a chance if we can beat Paraguay. There is still a chance we can make it through. But they're not looking good. Argentina will win, you think? That too. Actually, Messi looks like he's at his prime form right now. So Argentina could be in with a chance. What today? Bora KICT says today, what is your bias? Are you waiting for short or long? I'm actually waiting for a long setup. I know it goes against my model right now to be looking for longs, but until we get to this high, I really like this is an extra on price for me where I think we're heading. And if there is an opportunity to get a pullback, and for example, this 15-minute candle in the next 5 minutes closes like this with a 15-minute gap below, I would wait for this first. So I would wait for a drop into this gap and then, oh, there we go. Well, there we go. That is that first target. So if you guys are in longs, that target has just been hit. That's where I'd at least be taking a partial. And now I am indecisive again. So next highs that I think we would take out is previous day high to the upside, which is 30,783. That would be the next target for longs. This was such a nice play. This sort of price action where we We have a nice clean bullish move and then a retracement. Getting in a position here is always my favorite. And then when we have a pullback into a 15-minute or any sort of high time frame gap, and then a strong candle closure out of that, that is always clean. So very clean to those who are in longs. Now I would say, yeah, we have daily open and previous day high. I think the sky is the limit right now in these longs. I think we want to push. Let's go for the full previous day high move already pre-London. Why not? And then maybe London provides that reversal. We are still half an hour from London open. So if in the next 30 minutes we get up to previous day high, I would be very much interested in taking a short off there. So this could work out for the bulls and the bears today. Move Eclipse's market is bullish. Market is heavily bullish, yes, respecting all high time frame PD arrays. And we are on the daily looking like the next target is at least this swing high, which is 30,975. So a couple 100 points to the upside. We will absolutely get that today. That is nothing for NASDAQ. Story flashes. I hit my TP for long. I'm flat. Hell yeah, let's go. Very nice trading, guys, already. Clean flow says Australia only needs a draw. Yeah. Oh yeah, Australia only needs a draw to make it through because we did already win our first game. So we do have some points under our belt, but still, we need to be playing way better than that if we're going to get any further. What's a harmless conspiracy theory that you completely believe in? Aliens. Aliens are real. I 100% believe that. Story flash says maybe test Friday's high and then a retracement. Yes, that is what I'm looking for. A test of this previous day high level and then a drop off there to drop back into this range that we've created. I would, yeah, definitely prefer now a short of previous day high. That's definitely the next level I'm looking at. Guys, that is the yawn counter number 1. I really have to get coffee into me. Gold trades. No gold trades yet. Right now, gold has, similar to NQ, has swept its previous 4-hour high, although we are in the middle of Asia's range, so that is not my favorite to be trading out of. Asia had quite a move as well. That range there on gold is roughly, if my ruler wants to work, okay, 86 points on gold. That was the move in Asia. What are we looking at? Right now, if we come to the daily, there's a lot of gaps on the daily gold chart, which I don't like. But there is a level, this swing low down here, which is these relatively, this sweep. Okay, I think if I draw lines here, it'll help. So we did get a sweep of this historical swing low here back from the 23rd of March. So we did end up sweeping that out around the 10th of June there. And since then, we did have a bit of a move back to the upside. Now we've had this drop, I guess, from all the news that has been coming out with the US-Iran conflict sort of coming to an end here and finally signing peace deals. We have had a bit of a drop here on gold. So that is where we're at. I'm a bit indecisive on gold, not the cleanest market for me to trade. Right now, we're in a 4-hour bearish gap with a sweep of previous 4-hour high, although we are inside of Asia's range still. So I would prefer for Asia high to be swept before touching gold. But still, there could be a setup today. It just wouldn't be A+. So I'll keep an eye on gold. Let's say that. All right. NASDAQ pushing strongly here. Longs are looking good. Those that are still holding, very nice. We're just coming up to retest daily open there. Daily open is that level at 30,740. That is the level right now we are retesting. I would potentially expect us to go and take previous day high now after this. we're very close. That is a key level. We would normally see NQ smash before having a bit of a reversal. So hopefully we get that sweep and then I can actually take a short off here. Market is bullish. I think we'll see new all-time highs in 1 to 2 days or maybe today. I mean, I think that is not the most extreme scenario. I think definitely we could be seeing new all-time highs. Given fundamentally like all that's happening with Iran and US, I think that's been the biggest obviously market mover and why we've been seeing so much up and down. So now that there's officially some sort of peace deal being arranged, I think we should start to see stable momentum back to the upside on the indices. So longs and new all-time highs is not crazy speculation. Debreens depends what contracts you're looking at. For some reason, I've switched again to... I need to just sit on the September contracts. There we go. So all-time highs are 30,783.25. This is the September contracts. This is what we all should be trading. CMA says, hey Slim, just curious as a fellow trader, why don't you ever trade the DAX, the German Futures Index? The volatility and liquidity during the European session are usually massive. There's no specific reason why I don't. It's just that when I first started learning trading a couple of years ago, I only backtested and studied NQ and with ES on the side as the SMT asset. Like I don't even really look at ES to trade. But yeah, I've only ever learned my system and developed my model based on NASDAQ. So just to trade the DAX randomly one day would not be good. I mean, could potentially take a winning setup on there, but I don't have any sort of framework or anything I've backtested to be just taking a trade on the DAX. But yeah, there's no particular reason, just that I didn't learn trading that way. And I prefer to just trade one asset. The only other thing I've started to bring into my trading only this year, has been gold. So gold and NQ. Not to say that in the future I might not trade the DAX, but for now, NQ has been providing, and it's it's all I need. Just me and NQ. NQ contract killer says go back in at like 682, then push for the high. So that's what you're looking at. Yes, now that we have had this 15-minute gap form, no, sorry, we have not had that 15-minute. This gap has formed. So right now there is a bullish 15-minute gap untouched. Potentially we can drop into this gap now before taking out previous day high. There are so many scenarios that could happen now. So we could have for the longs set up like this. We could have a price trade back into this bullish gap, respect the midpoint, and then have a nice bullish candle close to take out previous day high. Or we first take out previous day high, and then once taking out that level, we drop back into a gap like this. So which way is going to happen first? I don't know. Probably we're going to take out previous day high first, but I am looking at that 50-minute gap. If we get a drop into that gap before London Open, I will probably take longs out of that and aim for previous day high. That would be the long scenario for me. Quantum says, by the way, clean credit where it's due Aussies, the defense was tighter than the trader's stop loss even after getting freaked out 2 times. Look, I don't know if there is any credit to give those Aussies. We have done so much better than that, and I'm not gonna sit here and say they did us proud. I mean, we're versing the US. We should be smashing them. It's not like we're versing Portugal or Spain. We should be smashing the US, so I'm not happy with them. Jalen Trace says need to clear this level to continue. Yeah, we are coming back into, so this was the high that I was looking at for first take profit level. You guys were in longs, and we're just coming back to retest that level now as well. These equal highs, relatively equal. So we'll see if we can keep moving up from here. Interesting Frankfurt Open already. We have had a move. That means London should actually provide nice clean setups for the shorts. Constantine, don't come for my Ronaldo like that. It says easy to face Portugal because Grandpa Penaldo is playing. Hey, I can get the ban hammer out. If anyone's going to come for him, you got to go through me. And I can ban anyone here. Troy races USA smashes everyone and everything. Not true. Definitely not true. You guys, like, basketball is definitely a US thing. You can have baseball, but football, no. That is not a US thing. Good morning, G for Geo. You're late. Oh no, Constantine. We are not getting into the Messi versus Ronaldo argument. I'll ban you all. Go USA, lol. Good morning, Prince Amir Nix Alt. Good morning. Is the like button frozen? Good question. What are our likes at? It better not be frozen. Let me see. We are 176 likes. The like button does look broken right now. With 500 people here, we need 400 likes to bring Nick on and 475 for the first giveaway. So guys, do the work. You will be rewarded. We will bring Nick on at 400 likes, but we need more than double what we have now. And there is enough people here to go and smash the like button. Sorry, boss. Other boss had me working hard. Yes, well, not good enough. Not good enough, GPGO. That is a... You know what? That can have a 10-second timeout. No, I'm kidding. I added my likes in honor of our win. Okay, for whatever reason you guys need to like, just go and like it. I don't care why, but just go and like the stream because that way we can do the giveaway and we can also bring Nick on. Constantine says, I'm just here to rage bait. I will stop. Yeah, well, the rage bait was working. Troy says, you can't even beat us at swimming and that's supposed to be your thing. Yes, Australians are great at swimming. I know that for a fact. We hold a lot of gold medals in the swimming at the Olympics. USA is good too. I'll give you that. But Australia is pretty good, if not better. Which part of Aussie are you from? From Melbourne. Melbourne. All right, guys, we are not getting that drop into the 15-minute gap that I wanted to see. So this just might take off without us, and that's fine. There will always be another setup. There is always another trade, so I will just wait. At the moment, I'm looking at that previous day high level as the level we go to target next. Celine, voice is clean and peaceful voice, just like her trading style. I appreciate that. Thanks, Movie Clips. Appreciate that you guys find my voice. You know what? The piece is probably coming from the fact that I'm still waking up slowly. Oh, I need a coffee. By the way, Becky and Spud love my new name. They were cracking up, but we have a trader in the group. All right, go on, Prince Amir. Go on, do explain. Troy says, nice living in Phuket right now. And there's a lot of Aussies here. Funniest people alive. Oh, the Aussies in Phuket, they're another breed of Aussies, Troy. They are very funny, but they're very different. The same when I was living in Bali. The Aussies in Bali and in Thailand are just different. I don't know how to explain that, but if you know, you know. GFGO says, yes, ma'am. Always another trade. No need to stress. That is spot on. Good morning, Thierry on Re. Good morning, Trading Game. Troy says they go hard to say the least. Yes, to say the absolute least. That is true. And chat, I'm just going to take a quick look at how this poll came out. Because I want to know what you guys are thinking today. Bullish or bearish? Let's see. 81% bullish and 19% bearish. So there you have it. If I do take a short later, I'll be against the chat. I mean, not that I'm bearish bias, but I can still probably eye up a short trade in the London session now that if previous day high does get swept, I do like shorts off that level. I do. Disciplined Trader says, eventually I realized finding another setup is easier than finding another capital. Hey, that is a good way to put it. And of course, this is wise words from at the Disciplined Trader. That is a good way to put it because it seems so easy at the time to just, you know, find another setup. Oh, that looks good, I'll take it. But when you think about it, it's not as easy to find capital to just fund another account if you blow that one, or fund if you're trading a live account, just keep pouring money into it. So you have to always take a step back, have a think about and reflect on your trading. Why are you getting into this position? Is this a valid setup? Is this the right amount of risk? Things like that. Always. Prince Amias is quoting Sarab, Nick and Celine reacted to racing them in yesterday's Power Hour. If you want, I can send you the exact timestamp. Shame. Wait, what? Nick and Celine reacted to roasting them in yesterday's... Wait, Prince Amias, you'll have to explain. Do you have... Is this like another timestamp thing you want to send in the chat? I'm confused. More people voting than liking. Debreen's for real. You guys don't want an account. I don't know why. It's a free account. 230 likes. We need 400. Maybe I've set the bar too high. 400 is what I said. No, that's what Sarab said in the chat. I'm quoting what they said. Oh, Sarab said, Spud, Nick and Slim reacted to roasting them in yesterday's Power Hour. If you want, I can send you the exact... Oh, I see. So Sarab was in their chat telling them how we reacted. And did they play it on stream? That would have been funny. Hey, I didn't say anything bad. Except I didn't understand why he was calling me a piece of Swiss cheese when I'm not even Swiss. Are people missing their click finger or what? Hit that like. Cam Jam, I'm telling you, I don't know what's going on. Guys, it's Monday. If you're like me and you're still waking up and getting your head around the week, you guys still, like, I've given you 40 minutes. 40 minutes to just click the button. I think that's not so hard to do. Like, yes, me, myself, I am still waking up. Still trying to lock in here, but I have at least liked the stream. It's the least you could do. 247. Let me refresh. We might not get there today. We might not even get to one giveaway. We're looking at 257 with over 500 of you here. Oh, chat, it's going to be a long session, isn't it? We're going to have to be begging for these likes. I said 400 just to bring Nick on, and 475 is for the giveaway, but looks like we might not get there today. NQ Contract Killer says, I'm a spuddy lol, he's my guy. Guys, that is so fair. That is so... You guys can be fans and supporters of anyone, everybody. It does not bother me. It is in the 2 a.m. hour for us New York time zoners. Yes, I know. And I understand it might be a bit hard to smash the like button if you're at 2 a.m. because you're probably tired. But I'm being sarcastic there. It is not freaking hard to just like the stream. Guys, it's the thumbs up button, by the way. I can see the hearts. I can see the hearts coming through. We don't want the hearts. We want the thumbs up. Good morning, kids. I'm so excited to see you this week at the London Prop Expo. It's going to be so much fun. It's not nice to come on here and ask for a giveaway. Just enjoy the stream and eventually we will get there. Well, that is true. Maybe we won't talk about it. If you guys happen to get those likes up, then we will do a giveaway. But if not, we're just going to have to forget about it. That's fine as well. Just checking. All right. Thank you, Contract Killer says the whole Tradeify team rocks. Hell yeah. That is more like it. The whole team. All right. NQ still, this 15-minute candle hasn't really done much. I did think it was going to make that move to check out previous day high in that last 15-minute candle, but clearly not. So let's see this new 15-minute candle. We do now have a new 15-minute bullish gap that has just been formed, sitting up here. So now let's see, maybe we can get a long setup off this gap. If we drop down into this gap, I will be looking at taking a long. Boring giveaways, I never win, says the business lens. Well, with that attitude, you'll never win. Guys, it is completely random. If you've won, if you've never won, it's just random. It is honestly up to luck. And we ran the statistics on this last week. It's like a 0.1% chance that you do win. So if you do win, you're actually really lucky. There's a very low chance. When will you start your trading at 12:30? Wait, what? When will you start your trading? As in 12:30, what time? This stream for me goes from 9 to 12. I don't understand that question. What strat do you use? JMA says, I'm using right now a model that I backtested for NQ during the London session. It's basically, it takes a reversal setup based off what the 4-hour and the 15-minute has done. So once they're both aligned with the sweep, the 4-hour and 15-minute candle, previous 15-minute candle has been swept, then I look for a reversal off those levels, and I use an inversion to take that at market. That's like a very simple way to put it. It's a reversal model. Troy, do you think we take all-time highs at NQ today? You might have already mentioned, so sorry if you did. No, that's all good. I definitely think it's a possibility. Yes, given that all-time highs is only this level up here, which is this level here, and what is going on? This level right here, that is the all-time high. That is only currently 240 points away. That is definitely doable on NQ. If we are, as history, as data tells us, we definitely can make big moves like that coming into the New York session. So it would not surprise me if we go ahead and break those new all-time highs in the New York session today. We don't have red folder news until Thursday this week, but I still think price is just moving based on the US and Iran stuff going on. So I still think we can get a bullish move to the upside, yes. Even though there's no red folder news drivers, I still think that's something we can smash. But for now, I am watching this 15-minute bullish gap. I really want to see it drop down into this gap and then along out of there. The what? Sorry. Wait, what? Sorry, Roman is talking in the back. I can't hear you, Roman. Say again. Oh, you guys can hear that? Okay, one second. Chat, can you hear that sound in the back? I think it might just be through to you, Roman. I don't think they can hear it. Roman, sorry, you're gonna have to. It's about to finish, I think. All right, so this is a short setup I would normally take, chat, based off previous 15-minute high sweep and then previous 4-hour high sweep. So as you can see, previous 4-hour high has been swept, as in swept, traded above its previous 4-hour high, and then we do have that also aligned with the previous 15-minute high sweep and a retest of daily open. So this is something I would normally be in. That's the inversion there I would take, and then I do see us potentially dropping into this 15-minute gap. But high time frame for me is just so strongly bullish that I am not going to be taking that short setup today. I know it can definitely work out. I mean, it's probably a really low risk to reward here. That high, 17 points, at least to drop into this gap. It'd be like a 30-point drop. We'll see. At least should be able to get 1-to-1 there with the 17 points. You know what? We're going to take that. I'm just going to take it on the evals there. I'll take it into the gap. And then if we do drop into the gap, I will take longs out of there. Let's see. Also, we're 10 minutes away from London Open. Let's see. Why not? This is a bit risky. I hate trading so close to London Open, but I do actually like this. At least to just take them 1-to-1 here. Because I see that 15-minute gap as being a potential to reverse it down into and then continue that move to the upside. But we'll see. It's a 17-point move. All right. What are we doing, chap? We're officially in a trade. Can't hear anything barely. Okay, cool. You guys couldn't hear. That's awesome. G4G says great risk management. Thank you. Thank you. Honestly, this is eval, so I've taken this with 2 minis. I'm only expecting us to drop. Don't expect a significant drop from here. As you can see, I'm only taking off the... by the way, why is my stop all the way up there? It should be a bit closer there. I would like to see us drop into this 15-minute gap before heading higher. So that is why I actually don't mind this. This is a sweeper previous 15-minute high, 4-hour high sweep, and then this unfilled 15-minute gap that I'm expecting us to drop into. If it doesn't want to do that, then that's fine, but would like to see that. Then once we get down into this gap, I would be very much looking for a long setup out of there. So that is the plan today. Celine is always looking for shorts. No one. Guys. I'm not always in shorts. That is not true. But yes. So most of the time, for whatever reason, while I'm on stream, I am getting a short setup. Fret not. Oh, Nick is in the chat. Celine fretting me again. Nick, you in the longs? I mean, I do really like the longs, Nick. There is every chance once London session is open, I probably will be in a long setup later. So we won't be fading all day. Shinobi Signals in the chat says, Fret not, Selena, I'm here. Where's Nick? I got rid of him, Shinobi. No more Nick anymore. Ha ha ha. No, but for real, Nick will be here as long as we get to 400 likes. So that's the plan. That's all we need to do. I don't know if this chat can do it today, if I'm going to be honest. I don't know. 300 likes. We're still 100 likes away. 100 likes away from even seeing Nick and 175 likes from even seeing a giveaway. So, you know what to do, guys. G4G says, Shinobi 2, a stacked night. Yes, we got Shinobi in the chat. We got Nick in the chat. We will soon have Nick on stream if you guys do the work. What's the giveaway goal? It's 475 likes today. She's using a stop loss. Yes, I use stop losses around here. That's Nick who doesn't trade with a stop loss. I still use stop losses. I mean, I definitely... You know what? I did tell you guys I was going to just not use stop losses on some accounts and just trade and see if I can survive. So sometimes last week I was getting wicked out. Like, it was terrible. There was that one trade that day that Kane was on, and I mean, at least we both got wicked out at the same time. I felt a bit better, but that was a bad day. Got wicked out and then the market just dumped. Let's see. Are we going to get this drop into the 50-minute gap? I hope so. If not, longs will be definitely on. If we can't even get to tap into a bullish gap and we're going to leave 2 behind, then we are very strongly bullish. But I'm testing this. I'm playing this on evals, so it's not an A+ setup at all. So evals all the way. And we'll see. Nick says, listen to her wording, guys. I still use stop losses. She's planning to abandon them. No, not true. I don't think there will ever be a time where I'm trading funded accounts without a stop loss, Nick. I'm not crazy. But maybe there's like an eval that I might trade without. But no, stop losses will always be part of my trading. I can't do it like you. Not built that way, Nick. One Lovers NQ says, first time in here with you. Well, welcome. Welcome to anyone who's new, by the way, to Tradeify TV. This is a London session we're going to run for the next 2 hours. And in a few minutes, I'll be joined by my co-host. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm looking like I'm going to be tapped out of this trade already. But that is okay. We took this on evals. We gave it the analysis. And if markets want to push higher, I'm here for it because I do want to get into a long. All right. That was the eval short. Did not play out. The 15-minute gap was the draw. I thought we would at least drop down into, but we're not even doing that. So those in longs, hold this. Previous day high is definitely the level I'm looking at next to be taken out. Let's do this. So if we do now get a drop into the 15-minute gap, I will take longs, but I want to pull back. I'm not going to just long at these highs. I want to see at least a draw back into this gap and then long out of that. That would be the cleanest setup for me. We'll see. The Ripper Aislinn, I love you and love Australia. Reset my eval. Oh, guys, I don't know what NQ is going to provide us today, but longs are definitely playing out nicely here. I just want to see a pullback. I did expect that to be the pullback, but it wasn't. I want us to drop back into a bullish gap here, and then I will trade that long out of there. You still got the rest of the session, Celine? Oh, absolutely. And this is why we love trading evals, because you can take a hit like that. Just take a gamble, take a little bit of a riskier setup. But yeah, would never have taken this out of, like, given the context, guys, like this is why I wouldn't be in sales, because we are so close to previous day high level. We are respecting bullish time frame, bullish high time frame PDRA. So for example, this drop back down into this 15-minute gap. The bullish candle close above these highs. So there is, given the context also of the 4 hour, the daily, the shorts, although like framework wise, I would be looking for a short here. Given the context, it's not clean. It's not a clean. That's why you can't just trade a robotic setup. You do have to give your trades context. You always have to be zooming out and looking at high time frame. And yeah, there is more to it. So this is why those kind of setups I will not be risking on funded accounts. Now, ProStar, Celine, try a long one day, you might like it. ProStar, I was literally talking about the long I'm eyeing up. I definitely want to get into a long today, but I'm waiting for my setup to appear. I've said what I'm looking for, and the charts haven't shown me that yet. Now, 337 likes, guys. We need 70, just about 70 more likes to bring Nick on. So there's 2 more minutes. Can you do it? Is the question. I wonder if you can. There is literally only 2 minutes. If everyone goes and smashes the like button right now, we'll be able to hit 400 likes. That means we'll be even closer to doing the first giveaway, which is at 475 likes. So go, go, go. By the way, we need Nick to come on today because I need to go and make myself a coffee because I do not have the energy, the brain capacity right now. I should have made a coffee before I got on stream today, but I wonder if Nick heard my intro this morning. Good morning. I don't know. What did I end up saying? I think I said welcome to another London gang instead of welcome to another London session stream. All right. 351 likes. We're getting closer. 50 more likes to go, chat. And we will be very close to that. Very close to that giveaway. 370. We're getting there. 30 more likes. 30 more likes and we'll bring him on. I can already see Nick is here. He's got his super slippery socks on and we're ready to go. We just need 30 more likes, Chad. Can you do it? I'm going to keep refreshing. Can I keep refreshing here? What are we at? $380. All right, 20 more likes. Can we do it? We're almost there. Nick's in like 100 mini long, guys. You want to see his charts right now. You'd want to see his trade. Like, I know you might not want to see Nick, but he's in a huge trade right now with no stop loss, 100 minis long. Come on, 9 more likes. All right, you guys are going to smash it. 9 more likes. I'm going to get the intro ready. All right, let's get this. All right, so wait, let me actually just double check. I don't want to give you the reward without the likes being there. Did we do it? Did we do it? Oh, we still haven't done it. Guys, 5 more likes. 5 more likes. Come on. All right, we're going to do it. It's that time. Let me introduce you to the YT wearing, head ever moving, GP trading, biohacking, music catching, stay with ketchup abusing, Samuel trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, loving, paddling, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mango sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI full porting, no prep marathon running, Nick Tater, DMZ strategy inventing, Mario Kart thrice humiliated, 91 no stop loss win rate once baited, Deshawn, the one and only, the no stop loss butcher.
Good morning. Hey, you know what?
Yes.
Every single day I'm so hyped. I hear this intro. I'm like, yeah, fuck yeah, this is so cool. And then it's like thrice humiliated Mario Kart. I'm like, it hurts so bad. No.
Yeah, that's why I purposely end with that one, just so you feel it.
Yeah, I know that. All right, chat. First of all, good morning, everybody. Second of all, put a big fat one in the chat. If you love putting big fat ones in the chat, put a big fat one in the chat. If you love trading, put a big fat one in the chat. If you're ready for the day, put a big fat one in the chat, especially for Celine and her doing the solo hour every single day for you guys and absolutely crushing it. Extra ones for those. Here we go. All right. Good morning, Celine. How we doing?
Oh, I was like, could not wait for you to come on today because I need to go make myself a coffee. If you saw my, what'd you say?
I heard that.
Did you see my intro this morning? I was like, good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London gang. I was like, wait.
Oh, damn, chat. She has another London gang, apparently. Sorry, it's not just you guys.
Apparently, I got this other London gang, but still looking for it. I don't know. Maybe, Nick, you want to run through what you're looking at? I'm literally going to go and make a coffee. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Well, I'm in the long. Chat, you're going to like this long position. You ready?
All right, I'll be back.
Boom. Yeah, we're long from 30,382. So soon, wait, 400 points? 370-ish right now. So let's see where this takes us. My target is 31,001.25. This is a very stretched target, but since I'm only in one micro, it's like, yeah, what should I do, right? I don't like when it goes up. I like when it goes against me, so I can add into my position and build a bigger one. But right now, I didn't get that chance. I mean, I was in drawdown for like 20 minutes, and since then, I'm gone. So all I can do is take profit. So I set my target very, very high to take more profit. At this point, I definitely would. However, because that's a new all-time high. However, if we come back down, I don't really care. Then I'll just add into it, and I'll build a bigger one. So let's see. Coded Enigma says, "Morning, Nick. Chaka scored for your country." Yeah, that's true. Switzerland actually won this time. That was good. Good morning, Ursula. Morning, Nico Han. How we doing? The Brines is Nick long since yesterday. I've been long since 7:35 p.m. Eastern time. So about an hour and 35 minutes into the overnight session. Good morning, Drops. Good morning, Movie Clips. Good morning, K Trading Zone. Good morning, Troy. Good morning, Chief with Gio, my G. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Mr. Mojo. Good morning, Konstantin. And guten Tag. Who else we got? Quantum, doing great. Good morning. Hey, Andre, missed you too, dude. Welcome back. All right, we're getting into the 400-point territory here. Need about 15 more points. 15 more points for a 400-point open position. Let's see. Morning, Ripper, of course. Morning, Hector. Morning, Caleb. Good morning, Suraf. Good morning, Ragur. Good morning, Mo Money Trader. Morning, Muhammad. Morning, DigiCap1. Hey, hope you're all doing well. Okay, so guys, what did you do on the weekend? Did you have a good weekend? Oh, my treadmill wants to explode again. Oh no. Oh no. All right, here we go. And we restart it. Okay, let's see what everybody did for the weekend. Karim says, eat fish. All right. You did that all weekend? 257 Joker says, in-laws came over and we watched World Cup. Nice, Jalen. You were bored because the market was closed. Kryptoneer works Celine. She's making a coffee. She'll be back in a couple of minutes. Southern Boy says, hit my daily TP, Nick and Celine, sitting in my hands now. Love the London gang. Hell yeah, Southern Boy. Fire. Swath says, felt ill and wasted. Oh no. Hope you're feeling better now. Pericle says, 35 degrees in Belgrade. Whole weekend on the lake. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Digicap, good start to the trading week. Same to you, my friend. Nitesh says, good morning, Nick. Why did you buy at the point where you bought? Sorry if I've already told that. Because I like to buy low and sell high. We all know that. Bashi says, the longest weekend we ever had. Yeah, because of the Friday short session. Oh, Celine is back. You got your coffee?
Yes, I have a coffee now. I can wake up finally. Here we go.
Nice. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wait. It's 10 a.m. for you. What do you mean wake up finally?
Nick, I don't want to talk about it. The World Cup is screwing with my sleep schedule and I'm not.
Are you watching every game?
Almost.
How's Greece doing?
Greece? Wait, I don't represent Greece, buddy. I'm Australia all the way. And
should I remind you of the USA-Australia game?
Yeah, let's not. It
was so funny. I saw Celine's story post on Instagram. She was like, the US is going to get absolutely smoked by Australia. And I was like, inverse Celine indicator hitting again a couple hours later. Like 2-0.
It was so bad. And then, you know what? Then I officially said, you know what? Everyone just needs to bet against me and they will be millionaires. So
yeah, can you please throw out your fucking calls and then I'll just do the opposite?
Literally. Give me a sec. The cord here just has been unplugged. 1 sec.
Yeah, you're good. Story flash access. I'm short NQ. Wait, are you still in your short, Celine, or did you get stopped?
No, I got stopped. I just took that on evals and I was waiting for, that's why I took that short. I wanted to drop into that 15-minute gap and I was hoping to get out just for 17 points there, but we didn't get that drop. Continue to pump here and previous day high is now that level I'm watching to get taken next.
Oh no. There's a guy in the chat with the name Fates by Celine. Dude, you're getting a timeout. You are getting a timeout, sir. You can make fun of us, but be respectful.
That's funny. Celine's recovering from that stop loss hit on US. Yep. This is pretty bad.
Yeah. Next Swiss match is on Wednesday, so let's see how that goes.
Who do you have? Wait, did you win that game in the end?
Yeah. The one, yeah, it was a great game. Second half of it was absolutely insane. They destroyed.
Oh, you came back out of nowhere, right?
Bosnia. They destroyed Bosnia.
That's right. That was the game where like nothing happened until like the last 20 minutes.
And then like boom, 4 goals.
I actually stopped watching it and then I came back and I was like, what?
Come on, Celine. Come on.
It was boring as. Well, yeah.
The end wasn't.
Oh, yeah. That is true. So wait, where are your targets on this long? Where are you?
31,001.25.
Like all-time highs?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
But I'm long from 30,382.
Oh, damn.
So we chilling. We are chilling.
That's nice. I like it.
All right.
I want to see these.
What did you what did you do on the weekend?
Oh, furniture shopping. Literally all of Friday.
Furniture shopping.
All of Friday. It takes so long. Like when you think about how much it takes to fill up a house, it's like you've got the kitchen, and then you got the bedroom, and then you got the dining, and the living, and there's just so many rooms. And so yes, it's taken me so much time. But all of Friday, all of Saturday, and then yesterday I was at a beach club. I was at a beach club all day, so chilled on Sunday. But Friday, Saturday it was very busy for me, running around. And you?
I did a lot. So on Friday, my fiance and I, we went. So first of all, we wanted to go wake surfing on Friday, right? Yeah. So I rent a boat. We drive out there, and then literally when we arrive at the boat place, it starts like we see like this fucking black cloud coming towards us, and we were like, "Fuck!" And then there was also a friend of mine and then two friends of hers with us. So I organized the boat and stuff for everybody. We're super excited. So this big black cloud, the dark cloud just comes towards us. We're like, "Fuck!" Okay. I spoke to the boat guy, and he was like, "Yeah, we're not gonna go out." And then we went back to the car, wanted to drive to a restaurant. And it starts raining, and it's windy, like windy as fuck. And then it starts hailing, and it like literally this size. It was fucking crazy. My car is absolutely destroyed. It has like over 100 hail impacts, like all like little
that's so bad.
Little dumps on the hood and stuff.
Yeah.
It's like it was crazy.
That's so
but it was really fucking cool too. So we did that, and then we went to the eastern part of Switzerland, to the mountains, where my fiance's family has a place.
Nice.
Because my fiance had to train for her ultra marathon that she's gonna do in a month, and so I rented an electric mountain bike, and I just supported her on the run, and then. Nice. Did some shit on my own, which was fun. And then what else did we do? We played mini golf. We went to Five Guys. And then we had sushi yesterday with Joker and my best friend, and
nice.
It was really nice.
And I gotta ask, how many burgers did you smash at Five Guys?
Yes.
That one day a month where you just know Nick's calories are.
Oh, it was so good. It was so good.
I gotta try.
But yeah, now I have to kind of get my car fixed, I guess. I just sent everything. I just sent the whole damage to the insurance, and then.
Do you have a photo?
Yeah, I have a bunch of photos. Well,
see if you can pull it up.
Second.
I remember that once before in Melbourne, it hailed really bad. There were like huge hail, like they were like rocks, but yeah, it can really damage cars if it's those huge hailstones.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see it on. Well, I can see it on this photo, but I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on the computer. Wait 1 second. Uno secondo, per favor. Need to restart my treadmill.
2.5 minutes.
2.5 minutes. You know it. All right. 1 second. Taking a screenshot here so the picture isn't so large. Let's see if that works. But yeah, got some hail damage.
Damn. Can you still drive it?
Yeah, of course, there's no problem. I mean, it's just hail damage. It's nothing crazy there. Can you see it?
Oh yeah, actually a bit. There's so many dents.
It's like here.
That's wild. And then like the weather today is just back to sunny.
Yeah, it was literally just those 2 hours when we wanted to go wake surfing. Literally just then. But I have a video of it too. It's pretty crazy, right?
Oh, show us the video.
The video is actually more fun than the pictures. It was insane. I've never experienced this in
It's crazy right now. Like London and that the UK are having a heat wave. Like, how is Switzerland getting hailstorm?
It was just 1 day. I don't know. Okay, wait. Let's see if I can share this. Should be able to if I share my whole screen. 1 second. All right, can you see this?
Yes, yeah.
All right, watch. It's pretty crazy, right?
Oh my god.
Like, it was insane.
Shit, that's bad. Why were you just sitting there? Oh, you can't drive in it.
We tried to go under like a cover at least a little bit. So there was like a little roof that at least covered the right side of the car.
Yeah.
And yeah, we couldn't really do much more than that. So
danger.
that's what happened. It was interesting though. It was very loud.
I have experienced hailstorms back in Melbourne. We used to get bad winters like that, so I know what it's like. It's not fun.
Yeah, fair. Hey, wait, we got a Swiss guy in the chat. Cryo to Charlie says, Nick, greetings from Switzerland. What part of Switzerland are you from? I'm from Lucerne. Where are you from? Are you from the German-speaking part? Can we start doing the stream in Swiss German?
No.
Okay, let's see.
How does this affect my Tesla shares?
Oh, they're gonna fall now, dude. If my Tesla has hail damage, you're done. You're done.
In Germany, we also had a great heat wave and hail on Saturday. Luckily, my car has no damage. Oh, so in Germany they had it too.
Oh, Cryo to Charlie. Schweizerdeutsch. Okay, sick. Also, machen wir das Stream auf Schweizerdeutsch. Wenn Celine probiert, herauszufinden, was man redet, fuck it.
No. We're not going to do this. Cry to Charlie, no. 9.
Nine. Oh, man. Oh, no. Coded Enigma says, Nick, a hailstorm destroyed my 10-acre farm. And now he retracted the message.
Deleted.
Okay. Sauli, what up? What up? Canada had hail as well, did you, Cap? Crazy.
Interesting.
Oh, 12 more points, and then we're up 400 points on the day.
What time did you enter this long?
At 7:30 p.m. Eastern time.
Nick,
so that was my 1:30.
Have you slept?
Yeah, I did.
Oh,
I slept.
You put it on and then went to sleep.
I slept from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern time. Mm-hmm. And then I was awake from 6 p.m. Eastern time until, let me think, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Mm-hmm. And then I went back to bed for like 3 hours. And now I'm awake again.
Wow, and I'm the tired one. I had like a 6-7 hours sleep. Yes. 6, 7. And I'm like, I can't function today. I don't know what's happening.
You know, it's just, I like trading the Sunday open because I get a good overview of the market for the week. Because the Sunday open dictates a lot of what the week is about to be. And it helps me just understand that properly. So that's why I trade it.
And it's looking like it's going to be a very bullish expansion week. I would say new all-time highs today. Potential. We shall see.
Well, I mean, that's where my target is. Let's see. Bodhi says, how many Germans does it take to take a light bulb? Bodhi.
Oh, no.
Bodhi, how many? 9. Jobs, our grandpa says, you guys golf ball size hail is nothing. Wait till you get hail the size of baseball. Oh yeah, no, there's much larger. But for Switzerland, that was crazy.
A baseball or softball size would, yeah.
I mean, that, if that hits you, you're dead. You're literally dead.
Oh, if it hits you, yes. But I was even gonna say like it would smash into a car window. Or like.
Cryo says, I had the same situation with my Range Rover years ago. Was in Bulgaria midsummer and my whole car got hit like an Emmental. Yeah, our insurance is good. Insurance should cover it. It's not a problem. The hail damage. Comment, dude, surfing in Switzerland? Yeah, wake surfing on the lake. not like surfing. Coded Enigma, Nick, will you participate in the Tradeify World Cup competition? Sure. Let's see.
Previous
What
day
else
high,
you got?
almost getting tapped here on NQ.
Nice. Andre, no, that's not wakeboarding. So there's wakeboarding and there's wake surfing. Wakeboarding, you're holding the rope and you're attached to the board, right? And you're usually going pretty fast. And then wake surfing, you only use the rope to get out of the water. And then as soon as you're out of the water, you let go of the rope and you're literally surfing the wave behind the boat. So that's the difference. And you're not attached to the board. It's like an actual surfboard, just a smaller one. It's pretty fun.
Are you winning, son?
Oh, hell yeah, I'm winning. I'm up 400 points.
Let's go. How many contracts do you win? It's so hard to see your screen. You have to see.
Only one baby micro. It didn't let me add more.
No.
Fucker. I wanted to add more, but I couldn't. So now I'm just holding 4 all-time highs because why the hell not?
Morning, guys. Do you feel like long is the play? Yes, we have. I mean, I've been saying that from the morning. Although I did try to take a short into a 15-minute gap here, I still think NQ longs is the play, given the high time frame context, how the market has moved in Asia. Like, we are just so strongly bullish. We got to see this.
How is my chart hard to see? I'm even zoomed in.
It's so hard to see. Sorry, Rem, can we switch? It's blurry as. The numbers are too small.
JMad says, how do you guys feel about the 30-second time frame? Is it too risky? Well, for how I trade, it would be completely stupid. There are people who trade it, but I think it's not something that one should do, but to each their own. Some people trade the 5-second charts.
That is true. I mean, Kane was on the other day, chat, and he takes trades off the 30-second, and he's made millions. So it can obviously work for people more than others, but I can't drop down that low. Just up to your personality.
Absolutely. What did you set as the like call for the giveaway?
475 today. 475.
475. We're at 478. Hell yeah! Let's do a giveaway.
Hell yeah.
Let's do a giveaway, or how Sputnik would say, give you for the rippy. So, chat, here are the rules for this giveaway. All you got to do to participate is you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form in the YouTube chat, you have to fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions along the lines of that, then I will disqualify you as well. Now, I just explained the rules. So if at this point you ask me how to participate in this giveaway, you will get super duper mega disqualified. So don't do that. Here we go. Here is the form. Here is the form. Good luck.
Good luck, everybody else.
Good luck. All right.
I trade the 1 year chart.
The 1 year chart.
Lol.
Raya74 says, I don't need to ask. I already know where the form is. Damn, dude, you're advanced. Andre says, Mr. Market, please go up. Yeah, do it. Mo says, morning, Nick. I don't know what I missed more over the weekend, trading or you. Shh, don't tell Celine. She'll only get jealous.
Wow. Who said that? Mo.
Hell yeah, Mo.
That might have to be a ban.
Nay. Watch it, Celine.
9. All right.
Justin says, I don't use charts. I just click buy or sell and hope for the best. I mean, it's a strategy. I don't know if it's a good one, but it's a strategy.
Oh, yeah. I mean, should we just click buy right now, Justin?
Probably not now. It's a bit high for that, but...
No, I'm kidding.
I mean, depends where your stop is. You could.
Is this the pullback? I've got this 15-minute gap eyed up. This is where I think we could pull back into.
I mean, look, you could. Depends what you're going for.
But I prefer, definitely, because I know the shorts will be short-lived today. The longs will be long-lived. So I want to be on the side of the bulls today because I think that is the stronger move, the longer play here. If I was to take a short, it would probably be a very short scalp. That's what I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
Not going to be as fun as holding a long. YOLO click buy, says Jalen Trades.
I mean,
not yet. But I may.
Not yet. You want it higher.
I may enter this soon, though. Beware.
Mm-hmm.
Beware.
Well, for me, the plan is we either hit 31,001.25 or we drop below 30,382, and then I'm going to be buying the shit out of it. So until one of those two things happens, we don't do anything. That's the plan.
Jalen, this is probably end New York 2% higher. Could be a very strong New York session today to take us out. Better long after the pullback. Yes, that is. If I am to get into a long position in here, I will be waiting for a pullback. That's the only way I would enter this.
Fair.
Nick, how many extra giveaways did you do last week?
A lot. Way too many. Almost got fired.
We smashed 1,000 likes though, and over 1,000 viewers. So we did do.
Yeah.
Chat did deserve it.
Speaking of giveaway, first of all, I saw the stupid guy, so I have to now check everything, which is very annoying. Damn you, stupid guy.
There's always one stupid guy. And he keeps coming back.
For some reason, he keeps coming back, and he thinks he's going to get me, but he's never going to get me because he's a fucking loser. All right, let's see. Just checking all the names. We are good. All right, nice. Copying everybody over to the good old trusted wheel of names. If it loads.
Let's do it.
Hello, Mr. Wheel. What's happening? Here we go. All right, here we go. Okay, copying everybody over. It's going to take a couple seconds. We still get the nice soccer/football ball.
Yes.
On the left side. Marcos, you're disqualified. All right, let's see. First winner of this week on Tradeify TV is going to be, drum roll please.
Who is it?
Urban Guy H1N. Urban Guy H1N. Yeah, I don't remember.
Urban Guy.
Urban Guy H1N. Type something in the chat.
Are we doing the 5x challenge? Maybe not. Maybe not 5x.
Nah. Mike Play says, I already know I won't win. Nice. Love the mindset, dude. Urban Guy H1N, where you at? Type something in the chat.
Hey, good morning, cheese balls.
Hey, good morning, dude. Morning, legend.
Urban Guy says, no way. I won again. I knew it. He's won before.
Congrats. So let's see what you win, though. You get a growth or select or lightning funded. The bing bada bong, spinning all wheels, sir.
Here
you win it's a good one. 100K select account.
Nice.
100K select account. Congratulations, Urban Guy. All you got to do to receive your account, you know it, is have your email address in your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email, and we will be sending you your free 100K select account within the next 7 days.
Very nice. Nicely done, Urban Guy. Very lucky winning twice there. I was saying earlier on in the stream that we did the stats last week, and it's like a 0.1 something % chance that you actually win. So I said if they win, they're very, very lucky. And if they win twice, well, I don't know. Go put it all on red or black. Whichever.
Okay, Celine, what are you saying? Red or black?
All right, I'm saying black. All right, let's see.
So if she says black, I'll definitely say red.
Let's see. Hey.
Oh.
There you
All
go.
right. It was
She
red.
doesn't lose.
It was red.
Shut up.
I mean, what color is this field?
I can read.
What color is this field?
Well, good try.
Well, when I play roulette, I always put it on black. There's no way I'll ever do red.
Yeah, that time that I went and tested that theory, it actually worked.
Mm-hmm.
And then I lost it all.
Mamma mia. Helene. All right, chat. Who's in a trade right now? Let us know. Put a me in the chat if you're in a trade right now. Also, 79% of the chat is bullish.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
I'm liking gold shorts at the moment, actually.
Oh, are you? Let's go to your screen then, because my trade is really boring.
Right now, what I'm looking at on gold is where is the gold chart? One moment. So this is what
people.
Hey.
There's some people in gold cells as well.
Oh, some people in gold cells. Okay, nice. Yeah, this is what I was looking at. So the fact is, we are right now trading inside of a 4-hour bearish gap, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is what I'm looking at to be respected if the bearish price action is to hold. We did have this drop, a significant drop since the news with Iran and US. So trying to flow with that bearish momentum here, given that we have also swept out previous 4-hour high. I would have preferred to sweep out Asia high, key session level, but already having swept previous 4-hour high and a reaction here at the previous 15-minute high, that was 245, so that actually was a clean reaction there. Back all the way up here with the inversion, I would say targets to the downside is this previous 4-hour low for me. That's what I would be very interested in trading. So I will wait to see if I can get a setup in here, but it's looking good for the sells.
Wait, I thought you are in cells.
No, I said I'm liking the look of a sell here. I haven't entered. No,
Okay.
haven't entered.
Well, while we wait for that, let's set up a new like goal for the next giveaway. There are 815 people watching right now. Chat, it's still early. We still got 1.5 hours on this stream. So let's set the like goal to 797. So once we reach 797 likes, we're gonna do another giveaway.
That's
less than we have viewers, so should be easily doable.
All right, I'm going to go back to 2 charts so I can watch NQ and gold. There we go.
NQ and gold.
All right.
Let's do it. Have I reached? Wait. Oh yeah, very briefly I touched 400 points in profit. 401 points was the high.
Is that one of your biggest trades? 400 points?
No.
It's a big trade.
It's not. I have bigger ones, but for an overnight session, I think it's the biggest one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
400 points.
One of the biggest for sure for overnight, but not total. Oh no, G-Ball says a short of Globex woke up to one fund at -800. Yeah, I mean, the shorts were nice in the beginning, but only for the buys to come right in. Drop says, I think this might go up another 200 points, but we'll see. Well, my target is 250 points higher, so we will see, for sure. If it comes back down, I don't give a shit. Then I'll just add more to it. It's going to be good.
All right.
Vu Rank says, cheers, guys. I've reached my daily profit for my select eval account. Nice.
Nice.
Well done.
Let's go.
Well done.
Wow, we can't even pull back into a 15-minute gap. What's happening, NQ? That's a drop here.
She's supposed to add more, baby. Oh, yes. Hopefully we get some receipts later. Probably not. We would have probably gotten receipts because when I was buying, look at the market, what it was looking like when I was buying. Roman, if you could go to my screen, thank you. Like right here, I looked like a stupid person buying at this candle at 7:35 p.m. Eastern, right? But then 20 minutes later, it didn't look that stupid anymore. So I would have gotten some nice receipts if I was streaming at that time, but
Oh yeah.
I wasn't. Now everybody's just like, oh wow. But at this time, I swear I would have gotten the receipts.
For sure. The business lens, the usual suspects.
Yeah.
They would have been after you. Mike, no, I'm not in a trade right now. I have the 15-minute NQ gap as an area of price I want to see us drop into first before taking a long out of here. We're very close to previous day high though, so a little tight for me. We are so high on the day. If we do take out previous day high, there could be a nicer short opportunity for me actually to take a short off previous day high into the gap. But yeah, I'm waiting patiently, not forcing anything. And gold, I'm watching closely as well.
Kiss says, we're traders. We always look like crazy people doing what we do. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Yasin says, Nick, are you treating that drop as a fake out? What drop? Give me time in Eastern time. Let's see.
Tim Chase's cheese was yes. My profit from Friday is still in my today realized P&L happens most times or all the time or early closing because of bank call. Yeah, it's because we had a half day of trading on Friday. So
Did you trade?
No, I didn't. I was furniture shopping. You took some trades?
Of course I did.
Some nice trades, I assume.
Yeah, Friday was good. Friday was very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
No, I could not. I had to prioritize because I'm going to London this week, and I pretty much move in like 1 or 2 days after I get back. So
Celine going to London because I'm not going. Look at that.
Exactly that. I was like, you know what? If Nick's not on the invite list, that's exactly my type of event to be attending.
Hell yeah. That's the spirit.
But yeah, no, I didn't even get a chance to put a trade on Friday. But how'd you go? What were you trading? NQ, obviously.
What, on Friday?
Yeah.
Yeah, always NQ. You know it. NQ, buy low, sell high, no stop loss. Let's fucking go.
Let's go.
That's what we do.
Nick, any free accounts? We just gave away an account. If you weren't here, that's your fault. But what did we say for the new like target, actually?
797.
Okay. So
Also, we're about to cross 130,000 subscribers. We're at 129. Look at that.
That is crazy.
That is actually crazy.
We just celebrated 100,000, which doesn't seem that longer. Like 130,000 now is insane.
It's pretty wild. It's pretty wild.
Justin says Celine's accent will blend in with the London people. Yeah, you know what happens to me when I'm talking to people who have a thick accent? My accent ends up like blending into theirs. So if I'm talking to a British person, yes, I will end up speaking British.
Oh, so I should talk like a Swiss person to you, and then you certainly start talking like this, huh?
Eventually it happens. If we're having like a 10-minute conversation and like...
Well, from now on, I will just talk like this the entire stream.
Don't.
It is like, we go into the Alps and we yodel a bit. That's the Switzerland we know. Hell yeah.
That one, I don't know if it would come as natural, actually. That's just...
Probably not.
That's just something else. But no, most other accents, like, I don't know. When I was living in Southeast Asia, there were times where I was like, What did I just say?
Hiya. Justin says, Nick, your accent sounds like my garbage disposal. Yassine, to answer your question, what I wanted to see was just a high volume push down. Kinda, you could say fake out, but I don't really call it a fake out. But that's what it was, yeah.
Slim, what would your short entry in TP target be? Well, first of all, we're so close to previous day high. I wouldn't be entering a short yet because I would expect this level to get at least tagged, like at least go up and sweep previous day high, and then have a bit of a drop from there. Again, it wouldn't be a long-lived short. I would only be targeting really, I mean, daily open, that Asia high, back a retest of Asia high, like that is quite a large move, to be honest, in a bullish in such a bullish market structure. So yeah, as low as I guess the retest of Asia high, I don't expect all the way down to Asia lows or previous day low or anything like that today. I do expect us to hold bullish price action for the day.
Yeah. Jay's playing says, stupid chat topics for a trading show. I hate my life. Well, what do you want us to talk about then? Jay's playing.
Mike, to answer you, Slim, why you didn't take this sell, because we are so close to previous day high, I want that level to be swept. That's where my stop loss would be, so I actually don't want to be in this. I want to see that level swept before entering a short. But this gap, this gray box here, is now the 15-minute gap tag, which actually could be setting up a nice long for me to long into previous day high. So let's see. This is the short I was trying to take down here into this gap. So this set up before when we had a 15-minute gap here. When we had this candle here sweep previous 15-minute high, I was expecting the drop to come into this 15-minute gap. We didn't get that. We continued to pump. Now it's suddenly happening here. So we have the 15-minute gap, which was untapped. We had the sweep of the previous 15-minute high, and then we have now a nice move into that gap. So if there is a long setup now, I would be interested to take.
Nice. Join me on the longs. Also, Selena, I thought about what we could talk about. How about we talk about hats for cows?
About what?
Hats for cows. You know, like cows are standing out there in the sun, in the heat, all day, every day, and they're not wearing hats. Why do cows not wear hats?
Nick, what did you have for breakfast this morning?
Just read the chat if you want to get it.
Okay, right. I did not see his comment. Yeah, let's talk about it then. So cows, interesting. Do you think they can get sunburn on their scalp? Because if that is a possible thing, then
yeah,
we really need to invent something.
Wait. The chicken is here. Everybody say good morning, chicken, and put some corn in the chat.
Chicken, you know how close I am to banning him sometimes. Although I don't have those abilities. I need to talk.
Easy corn, chicken.
Chicken, I need to talk to the big bosses about that. I want the admin powers.
Chicken chat. Mo says, Nick, I think they need those big ass sombrero hats. That's a good call.
Mo says, also, do cows get skin cancer?
What's up, chicken? I miss you. Haven't seen you in a long time. Lies. Saw you yesterday. Celine, you know.
Do chickens wear hats? Yeah.
No, you want to hear something fun?
Yes, go on.
So we were talking about the paddle battle yesterday. So we all had sushi, right? We're in the yard of our friends. It was super nice. We all had sushi, and then we were talking about the paddle battle. And then my fiance was like, "Why the fuck do you have to pay double if you lose, and Celine only has to pay half?" And then Chicken goes, "Because they fucking suck."
Oh, what the hell?
That's great.
Wait, so was Ramina like backing me up there? She was trying to say
no, not you.
No, wait.
She was just saying it was unfair. Why do I have to pay double and you have to only pay half? Like, it makes no sense.
No, but Chicken, let me tell you.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you, there is a paddle club right near my house that I will be joining very soon. Once I'm joined in there, it'll just be a complete lock-in until November. And then when you go see me in November playing paddle, you're going to be running for the hills. You're going to be you're not even going to want to start the game. Okay? You're going to see me in the warm-up and you're going to run. That's what it's going to be like.
Kryptoneer says, we create a market niche with sun cream for cows and sell the meat more expensive than Wagyu steak. That is a great idea, Kryptoneer. I like you.
You guys
where did this Jay guy go now?
I know.
Still here? Oh, he's still here. What's up, Jay's playing? What's up? Why are you not playing anymore?
Oh, this is too funny on a Monday. What else should we talk about? What's his name? Jay's plays.
Jay's playing.
Jay's playing.
Well, he's not really playing. He's just, I don't know.
Wake up, Celine. Dream over. Huh?
Trader Cage says, what is up, you two? Looking at anything? Well, I'm in a long from 30,382 on NQ. So I can't really do anything because my target is 31,001.25. So we're 260-ish points. No, actually 250-ish points away from my target. And we are 400-ish points away from my entry. So can't really do anything. But Celine is looking to get into a long. I think.
Yeah, so 15-minute gap has now been tapped into here on NQ. I'm waiting. I was just sitting on the 1 minute chart because I'm now waiting for a 1 minute entry, which could be in the next minute. I'm going to enter this if we invert. I'm just waiting for the confirmation here on the 1 minute. And gold sales are playing out. Didn't get a chance to enter that short, but the sales into that gap on gold have been a nice play. That's looking nice there. Still didn't get a chance yet, but could potentially very soon.
Ooh, Kiss is saying Mario Kart Mondays to make up for last Friday. Honestly,
well.
Honestly, I'm down because I said the rule is I have to make money before I play Mario Kart. Now I'm up 400 points. So I'm very safe in my position. So, chat, put a 1 in the chat if you want us to do a Mario Kart race today because I'm
Hold
down.
on a minute. Celine hasn't made money yet.
Yeah, but I have.
But I need to make money.
I said we have to make money. So if I make money, that counts for us. If you make money, that counts for us. We're a team. We're not just a team. We're the best fucking team out there. Come on now.
Oh, wait 1 second. I'm entering this long now. Hold on.
Do it. See the ones in the chat? Oh, it's gonna be a Mario Kart Monday. I'm gonna set up everything. Let me walk 2 more minutes. Actually, I'll get to 8,000 steps. I'm at 7,500. I'll get to 8,000 steps, then I'll set everything up. How about that? And in the meantime, Celine is going to absolutely slaughter the market really quick.
Watch me slaughter or be slaughtered. It's one or the other.
No. You're going to slaughter.
I'm going to slaughter. All right. I've entered the longs. This is based off the 15-minute pullback here that we had into the 15-minute bullish gap. We also have previous day high that is still intact here on NQ. And I'm hoping for that level to be the next target. So I'll be taking a contract off there at previous day high, and then we'll see where the rest takes us.
Nice.
Let's see.
Nice. Yeah, Russell, you're happy about that one, huh? Mario Kart Monday? Hell yeah.
I'm not prepared for this. You guys.
Well,
you know how long
it's going to be again Team Celine against Team Nick. So this time, what we're going to do is we're going to, because I thought about it, there could be rigged allegations. So I thought, hey, let's just do a wheel of names for who is in which team.
Okay, we can do that. Because
Mm-hmm.
that's true. You got to decide the teams last time. 886. 886. Okay.
When are you flying to London? What day?
I'll be off from Wednesday.
Dang, so I have to do the stream on my own?
Sorry.
Wait, but wait.
Wait.
The expo starts on Saturday. Why?
You know this.
Why are you out from Wednesday?
Hey, I don't make the rules or the plans.
What do you mean? Like, what are your plans for Thursday and Friday?
A secret. It is a secret. No, I fly in Wednesday. I get there in the afternoon, and then I'm there Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Obviously, Thursday and Friday are probably just going to be prep days for the expo. I know Friday we're setting up.
Prep days. I did the expo before. There was no prep needed. What are you talking about?
Okay, what do you want to take it up with Brett? You want to say like Celine can't be there until it's like who are you?
No, what I'm saying is when I was in London for the expo, I did the London sessions. Come on now.
Nick, you're really trying. Look,
she's gonna leave me on my own, chat. That's ridiculous.
Is it? For 2 hours. You did it for months.
And I did it from a hotel room, sitting like a frigging like a little gremlin, because I didn't have a table in that hotel room, doing the London stream on my own from London. What are you talking about?
I might be busy.
Busy with what?
I might be busy setting up. It might be 7 a.m. UK, and Brett might be like, Celine.
What are you gonna set up, Celine?
I need you to set up.
What are you gonna set up? Tell me.
Nick, you can't be outing me like this.
Guys, she's just taking a vacay, and she says, I'm turning up for the expo.
You know what? You want me to do an IRL stream from Buckingham Palace? Because I'll do it.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Should I?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. But
Good.
Every morning, let's just say, okay, definitely not. I can't stream Wednesday. Why don't I join you guys Thursday?
What?
Friday,
okay, Wednesday you're
Friday's
fine.
out of the question. Friday's out of the question.
Why?
I know we're going to be busy.
Why? What are you going to do on Friday?
We're setting up. We'll be helping.
What do you mean setting up? There is no fucking setup.
Things.
There is no fucking setup. What are you talking about?
Take this with Brett. Guys, it's not excuses.
Oh, it's a fucking big excuse.
I'm going to be so under the pump. Like, I might check in on my phone. Like, that's the most. But in saying that, maybe I will join live from the palace.
Well, you better.
Go live with the king.
Justin says I can tell when she lies. That's true. Me too.
Justin, shut up. Anyway.
I you can just tell the chat that you don't like them. It's fine. It's fine.
Chat, he's trying to make it a me versus against you guys thing, but I honestly am going to be so busy. Like,
I'm going to be so busy. Ooh.
So then don't drop the gang. Oh, now you've made me feel terrible. Ursula, I'm not dropping the gang. But you know what
at that time, I was even trading wide charts from London. Look at this. Look at this.
All right, Nick just wants to say, Nick, you're the go.
Ghetto setup. Ghetto
Nick,
setup.
how did you find that? How did you have that? Just waiting.
Ghetto setup in the hotel room trading wide charts. Look at that.
Do you know what's so crazy? How did you have that ready? How did you know?
I always have everything ready, Celine. Come on now. Come on now.
That is wild. Well, hold on, but there was no one else to run the stream back then. That's why.
Exactly.
Yeah, but now I have you. Now you can run the stream.
Oh, so you could just go chill and enjoy tea with the king of UK.
That's exactly what I'll be doing. I'll be in London having a cup of tea and you'll be running the stream.
Damn, Peter was already there when I did the hotel stream. That's crazy. It was funny because we even had at one point suddenly Brett walked in. And he walked into my room and then we gave away like 550k lightning funders.
Oh, there you go. Mm-hmm. Well, okay, we might have to do something.
Of course you have to do something. Come on.
Maybe. We'll see. Damn.
All right. Hey, Zuruluki, of course you remember. You were there. You were there. Okay, so here's the plan. I said I'm going to walk until I have 8,000 steps, and I have 8,033. So I need to go to the bathroom really quick. I'll come back. I'll set up the Switch, and then we're going to do a Mario Kart Monday to make up for the lost Mario Kart Friday, okay? In the meantime, Celine is going to share her trade, and then we'll play.
All
See
right,
you in a sec.
So here's the go. This is the first trade I was in today. Took the short down here. We got stopped. Took this on evals. I'm also in this on evals, by the way, because I don't like going against the model here. But really, what I was hoping to see was a drop into this 15-minute gap from down here. So sold this high, trying to drop into this gap. We didn't get that. We continued to push high. Now, we've kept previous day high still intact. So that is an area of price I would expect us to sweep. Being that we're so close, we did drop back into this 15-minute gap now, so we have had that pullback, and I'm longing off a 1-minute IFVG from there. So that is the plan, to go up and take previous day high. But high time frame, I am very much bullish. So taking this long, although it is against the model, I am more in line with my high time frame bias. But the model would be telling me to short this, but being that previous day high was just so close, it's not A+ for me. On the other hand, we have gold here. Gold had some nice sells. I was not in the watching gold at 254 here for that entry, or at 320. So missed 2 clean gold entries. I would have been in this sell and then probably would have sized in here at the second IFVG there. And to take us into this gray shaded box is the gap, which I'm hoping that gets filled. So hey, maybe I was just in that one trade that got stopped out, and now the model is playing out very cleanly. And that's just how it goes, okay? That's just how it goes. I'm following the plan, though. I did say I want to be taking it along here based on the context of the session so far. But it's not looking like the longs want to play out here. So we'll see. We'll see if my stop is just in the wrong place. We could even get back down into daily open, retest that, and go higher. So high time frame, I am waiting for this and expecting this to take out previous day high. We'll see. By the way, Nick, I am not ready for Mario Kart. I'll tell you.
Why not?
I didn't even know what that thing would be, to be honest, because I'm like half packed.
It was a week ago that we played.
It was a week ago, but I'm like half moving, half packed. So give me a second. I have to think where that's gone.
Okay, Roman, you want to bring me back on?
No.
Thank you. Oh, no? Okay. So you can do London streams alone on Thursday and Friday then.
Well, oh, come on, NQ. Don't do it. Don't do this. You know what? That would be the gold full TP there into that gap. Nice. Well done to anyone trading gold. And now NQ is going to stop me probably in this long. This is not being a
no.
I'm about to just full port these evals. I'm just trying to see how much is left. I got, after this trade, I probably have about 2,000 left. Should we just full
2,000? Well, 2,000 is still good.
Patrick says, Celine, you have SMT with ES. Hopefully it reverses here.
Justin took my oldest fucking photo shoot headshot and made it his profile picture.
Oh, I was reading something else in the chat. Hold on. Justin, how? Where did he find that?
Where the fuck did you find that, dude?
What? That's kind of creepy. Wait, I have to pull this up. I need this in full screen. That is hilarious.
That's so old. That's from 2016.
Oh. Yes, Justin, that needs to stay.
Oh, that's funny.
That's
I was
incredible.
like, wait, I know this picture.
That looks kind of familiar. I was laughing at Busy's comment. She doesn't want to play. She doesn't want to trade. She doesn't want to live stream.
She doesn't want to do anything, Busy. She's busy.
Too busy. No,
Too busy for you guys. Sorry.
For real though. All right, I'll get the Mario Kart out. Just give me a sec. I'll go unpack it.
You better,
just
lady.
for the London stream.
Wow, now she's acting like she's doing you guys a favor.
Well, it's a Monday. This is not how we play normally.
Yeah, but we didn't stream on Friday, so we got to be fair, you know.
And I won't be streaming this Friday.
You little lazy person.
Busy person is the word. You little busy person.
Focus on little.
All right, I'm gonna go find the switch. I'll be back.
Uh-huh.
I'll be back.
I'll be back. I'm just setting everything up really quick, chat. Patrick says young Holtenberg. Oh, yeah. Hulkenberg. That's what it is. Brendan says, Nick finally sitting down. Yes, sir. Sometimes I do sit down. Let's see. Nick, you look like Thomas Müller? No. What the hell? Okay, chat. For those of you who have a Nintendo Switch and Mario Kart 8, get it out right now. Because we're going to be playing, and we're going to be playing Team Blue against Team Red. Celine is the leader of one team. I'm the leader of the other team. And whichever team wins, all the participants in this team get a free 25k growth account. So you literally can get a free account by winning Mario Kart right here, right now. Celine, you found it?
I found it, but I'm on
Wow.
I'm on 4%. So
Well, then plug it in.
what does it take? Is this USB-C?
It's USB-C, yeah.
Okay. One moment.
One moment, please.
We're probably not gonna be able to play yet because I need a charge. One sec. What can I plug out?
Well, you can just leave it plugged in while you play. It's not a problem.
Wait.
That is not a problem.
What here can charge my USB? Yeah, but I'm using all of my. One moment. Okay.
Sahil says Nick is Andrew Garfield. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
We've heard that one before.
Mm-hmm.
All right, wait. Give me a moment. Selena's doing something technical.
Kiss has accidentally opened Super Smash Bros. Instead of Mario Kart. This was about to get super violent.
Give me 1 second. Oh, you disgusting little dirty little NASDAQ little bitch. I just
Damn. Damn. Chat, did you hear that?
have a look. Why don't you have a look at how NQ has treated me today? Oh.
Yeah, you got absolutely slaughtered.
First short, disgusting. Second short, too close to previous day. I wouldn't be taking that, but that's the one that plays out. Didn't take these 2 gold cells. Wasn't on the chart, so whatever. Anyway, don't you love a Monday? Don't you just love it?
Oh, I love a Monday.
Love a good little Monday.
Hell yeah.
And now I'm about to probably get slaughtered in Mario Kart, so I love today.
Well, chat, we went from I'll beat your ass Mario Kart.
No, I said I need time. This is only like
to now. Oh, I probably get slaughtered. You know what? The paddle battle is going to be exactly the same.
No, because I said Switch, like playing on the Switch console is very different to playing on the OG console, Nintendo 64. It's a very different game.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then when you play paddle, you're going to say, oh, it's very different from tennis.
Maybe. Honestly, I'm just fuming at these markets. All right. I need to quickly plug this in. Give me a second.
Mm-hmm.
Sellers are stepping in. I seriously would have thought we'd take previous AI first. Seriously? Can they step a bit back? Sellers are coming in here. There is no other setup for me here yet. I'm going to be waiting for another NQ trade. But that is 2 losses, so I'm either going to full port evals or I'm going to switch accounts. Stay tuned. All right, I'm going to find a spot to plug in the Switch. I'll be back.
Chat, here's what we're going to do. The winning team, everybody gets 25k growth accounts, but if Celine beats me, like total score by the end of it, then everybody on her team, if they win, actually, you know what? No. Anybody who wins, so it's going to be Team Blue against Team Red. Whichever team wins gets 25k growth accounts. But if Celine beats me in total score, they get upgraded to 50k growth accounts. How about that?
You know what that means? That means he's pricing me in as the underdog. He doesn't think we're going to win.
No, not you as a team. It's like you, just you must have the higher score than me, and it gets upgraded to a 50k growth.
Like me as an individual player.
Yep. Just that. Roman, you can pull up my charts because Celine's are gone for some reason. Yep, thank you. Thank you. All right. We now have a 50-point pullback from today's high, which I don't really care about. Because for me to add into this trade, it needs to drop another like 350 points. Dun, 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 dun. Where did Celine go now? Celine? She's gone. Roman is just like, yep. No. Vanished from the surface of the earth. So she can blame something else, you know? She's like, oh, my internet wasn't working. We'll see. Roman, are you going to be in London? Okay. True. Yeah, we at least Roman is going to be here with me, chat, so we can still deliver a fire stream. Because honestly, Roman is the GOAT. So everybody, put a W Roman in the chat, just real quick while we can I talk while we wait for Celine to join back in. Put W Roman in the chat because he's here every single day. You don't see him. Sometimes you hear him, but you don't see him. But he absolutely crushes it every single day for you guys. So without him, this stream would be shit.
All right. W Roman, but also, can you hear me?
Oh, she's back.
We got a problem, Houston.
What?
Houston. I can't, for some reason, this USB-C, it's not charging. And when I plugged it all in, everything else disconnected. My mic disconnected.
Okay. Let me call my friends in IT support really quick.
No, I know what's going on. It's not going to work today, Chad. That's all. It's not going to work.
Okay, what's going on?
It's so all right. All the USB-C ports on the computer are being used. Then I have the little dongle thingy. I don't know what you call it. Yep. And I plugged it into that. And
makes no sense. It's not going to charge it. Mm-hmm. Okay, so here's what you need to do. Get an extension cord.
No, I don't have that. Nick, you're asking for a lot. Do you understand that I'm half packed?
Celine.
I don't have
Celine,
that.
you're at your fiance's family's house, right?
Yes.
Okay, and they don't have an extension cord anywhere.
But I can't. There's no power outlets to plug that in.
Wait, where's the closest power outlet? This is gonna be fun.
Here,
Okay, where's the closest power outlet?
But it's been plugged in already, Nick.
Lady, where's the closest power outlet?
No.
What do you mean no? Where is the closest power outlet?
It's already being used. It's being used
Okay,
to power the stream right now.
What is plugged in there?
Into that is my power board thing that has all the outlets.
Okay, so from outside the room. Outside the room where you're in right now, how close is the closest power outlet?
No.
What do you mean no?
I'm not opening that door because then we're just gonna get. You're gonna be able to hear everything from the house as well. We're not.
No, you can still close the door.
What, and plug in a cord from across the house?
Yeah.
No, we're not doing it. The answer is no, chat.
I hear excuses.
What is the chat saying?
I
No,
hear
chat. The
big fat
next time I'm
excuses.
playing Mario Kart will be in the new house. I can't. It's too much tech for me to handle.
Okay, Celine, how about this? You take your Switch right now. You bring it to another room. You plug it in there for 20 minutes. And in 20 minutes, we play.
Yeah, okay, I can do that. How about that?
Okay. How about that? Then
See,
go
it's
do
not
that right now.
excuses. It's just not technical. It's not.
It's not excuses. It's just not finding solutions. Okay, so go into another room, plug it in, come back, and then we'll play in 20 minutes. Easy.
Okay. All right. I've got it. I've got the cord. I'll be back. I'll go plug this in somewhere else.
Oh, yeah. Without you, the chat can't win 50k growth accounts. We can't do that.
It's not that simple as well because I'm living in a Europe. Like, I have Australian plugs here.
Oh, yeah. So you didn't bring an adapter?
I have to now get this. Plug it
Oh, wow.
in.
That's crazy.
Like, this is a lot of work. This is a lot of work.
Yeah, it is a lot of work.
Like,
I would
pissing me off.
if I were you, I would ask Brett for a raise. Like, because that's not okay. That's too much work.
It is.
Yeah. I'll message Brett for you, okay?
Celine makes 100 excuses. Nick has 1,000 solutions.
I'll make
Celine excuse count 32.
I'll message Brett for you, okay?
How about Celine is getting pressured right now by her co-host to play Mario Kart? How about that?
Well, I want the chat to get
Celine
a chance to win
wants to take
50k growth
NQ.
accounts instead of 25k growth accounts.
Okay. All right. You know what, chat? You always win. Not Nick, but you. Chat always wins. And while this is all going on, everyone take a look at NQ's sales right now.
Yeah, they're nice. Why did you long minutes?
Huh? What?
No, I'm sorry. Go plug in your...
No, what did you say?
I said, yeah, it looks nice. Why did you long it?
Bro, I cannot. Oh, what is happening today? She shorts, she gets stopped. She longs, she gets stopped.
All right, go plug in your Switch. Then we talk about the market.
Maybe I'll destroy you all at Mario Kart. Maybe that.
Maybe.
How about that? All right, I'll go plug this in. BRB people. I'll be back.
Okay.
She's not in good condition. I'm not. All right.
Plug it in now. Oh man, chat. Okay, so what are we gonna do with this market? I'm just gonna wait. Because my target is at 31,001.25. I'm in the longs. And I can't add to it because we're in profit, but I can't take profit because we're not high enough. So we need to wait. Who else is in the NQ longs? Who else? Russell says, 1v1 me really quick. I'm right there. Are you scared? Russell. We can do a 1v1. But I need Celine back first. We can do that. Okay. Wait. Roman, can you create a new poll? And the question should be, who wants to see a Mario Kart 1v1 Russell versus Nick? And then just yes or no. Russell, we're going to let the chat decide if they want to see that. Hey, Inicio, my man. What's up? How we doing? Mo says, Nick, you interrupted Roman's guitar playing. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, Russell versus Nick. That's for Mario Kart 1v1. We're going to spin the wheel to see what he gets if he wins, okay? Let's see. Once we have 100 votes, we will stop the poll. Currently at 48, 50, 52, 57, 58, 67, 69, 74. All right, looks like they won the 1v1 Russell. 181, 79, 86, 88.
Okay, I'm back.
90, almost at 100. Welcome back, Celine. 92.
Russell
Let's
versus Nick.
see.
Yes, Russell versus Nick.
It's going to be 1v1. Okay, we're going to do it. So Russell is already in there, so I'm going to just start the game. Actually, before we do, let's spin the wheel to see what you can win, Russell. So if you beat me over 4 races, Russell, you get... Let's spin. You will get... Oh!
Damn.
Okay, Russell, we're playing for 150k select account.
Let's go, Russell.
Select account. Damn.
Big account, Russell.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go, Rusty, though. I need you to beat Nick.
Okay. You know what? If you beat me, the giveaway that we're going to do at 797 likes is also going to be 450k select account for the chat. So let's do it, shall we?
This is huge. All right, well, something could go right today. If Russell beats you, Nick, then that's at least one thing I'm going to take as like a win today.
You need to celebrate other people's wins as your own. Poor Celine.
I'm going through it today. I'm going through it.
It's okay.
I even woke up and I said, good morning, welcome to another London gang. Like, I don't know what is going on.
It's okay, it's okay. It's a Monday. All right, Rossi. We're going to play random.
Let's do this.
For 150k select account.
Roman, can we get a poll? Who do we think is going to win? I want to see what the prediction markets are on this.
Yeah, Russell.
We've got Russell or Nick.
Come on, Rusty boy.
Quick before they start. We've got to get the vote in there.
Here we go. Russell, best of luck. Oh no, Shell.
Oh yes.
Oh, and that.
Oh yes, that's gonna.
That was good, Russell. That was good. Not bad.
All right, there we go.
We don't even have computer. I thought we have opponents, but that's not happening. So it's an actual 1v1.
No, it's literally
I didn't even know. Didn't even know.
I hope you don't get a blue shell. Russell, if he gets a blue shell, you're cooked.
Give me the blue shell.
Wait, does that mean you can get like you can be second place and still get the bullet thing from here?
I don't know.
All right, I'm just checking
something worth more than this.
Oh, the chat's kind of 50-50 here. Who's gonna win this?
I mean, I need something because otherwise I stand no chance. What's this? Oh, pit stop. Yeah, it's already round 3. Okay, give me that. That's good.
Russell, you've smashed this. Russell has for sure won this race. I'm putting it out there.
Yeah, it's looking good for Rossi. Where is he? Oh, there he is. What's up, dude?
I don't even see him.
How we doing? How we doing?
Russell, how'd you let that go? Oh, no.
Oh, I blocked that so nicely. Let's fucking go.
Damn, that would have won it.
No, he's going.
Yes.
Holy shit, Russell.
What a clutch.
Wow, okay, that was good. That was good. That was good.
That was huge, Russell.
Holy shit.
We need to get a replay on that. That was so clutch.
That was last second. Holy fuck, what a game. Okay.
Wait, Russell can race.
That was good. That was really good. I must say, that was fucking fantastic, Russell. What a comeback, for real.
This is providing more entertainment than the charts right now. Let's be real. Actually, if you're in shorts, let me know. But
I got him so good with the red shell, and then this.
This is very entertaining.
Wow.
Let's go, Russell. Come on.
That was crazy.
We need the W. My day will be... You'll make my day, Russell. Trust me. Oh, I know this. I know this map.
Yeah, now we have the normal maps because Russell doesn't have the online thing and I don't have it either. So now we get to play normal maps, not this bullshit that we don't know what it is, you know?
Oh, everyone's in full port shorts, apparently. Everyone's in shorts here in the chat. Nice.
Is that so?
We went from an 80% bullish chat to now so many of you in shorts. Interesting.
Shit, I missed that one. Whoa. Scary.
Damn, they might not give the blue shells when it's just 1v1.
Yeah, probably not, because it would be too unfair. Blue shells in the 1v1 is like an immediate win, basically.
Wow.
An immediate win. He's like right behind me. Oh God. What's the market doing today?
Marcus is in longs, winning from 37.62, still holding.
Oh, it's lagging. No.
Huh?
It's lagging.
Oh no. I mean, yes. Go Russell. He's got lag.
I was about to say, like, why? Why are you saying oh no?
Go Russell. No, I hope Russell doesn't have lag. Debreen says, imagine coming into this stream and finding this. I know. For context, if you're joining, this is because usually we would do Mario Kart Fridays, but since we didn't have a last Friday stream,
come on,
Mario Kart Mondays.
W for the king.
So it's even now. It's 1-1 win. 1-1 right now. Wow. In terms of the market, and Q is continuing this drop here. I'm just so angry that we did not take that previous day high. We came almost to take it and left it sitting there. So, and Q being a little bit dirty there. And gold, on the other hand, what I was watching for on gold has played out. So that drop into this gap here, the 15-minute gap that hadn't been tagged before. So sweep of previous 4-hour high, drop into this 15-minute gap. Now, gold could go either way for me because we are in the middle of Asia range and we are respecting and holding up this 15-minute gap now. So I wouldn't be taking a trade out of this level. I'd be waiting for more, either a confirmation above this high or if we continue to invert this 15-minute gap now. This is where I need to see a bit
nice shot, Rossi.
Oh, I'm not screen shared? That's weird. I didn't take my charts off. That's weird. All right. Well, the charts are there now. Hopefully you guys can see. But NQ cells are just printing right now. Damn. How do we explain this trading day in the journal? How do we talk about this one? Stopped in the short, stopped in the longs. The model printed the short. Did not take the model short. There's going to be a fun one to write about. All right, what's happening in Mario Kart right now? Nick is first. Damn it.
Yeah, he overtook me and then I had to overtake him again.
Come on, Russell. He's so close. And he's holding a shell behind him, by the way, Russell.
Hey. She's cheating. Guys, she's cheating.
I'll let you know when he... Let's go.
I won't. That's what's happening.
What's going on? Bavine Trades, if you're new here, this is welcome to Mario Kart Mondays. Right now, Nick is in a
Mario
long,
Kart Fridays.
but it kind of suits Mondays. I mean, Mario Kart Mondays kind of flows better. But yeah, usually we would have a Mario Kart Friday race, but right now we're doing it Monday because we missed Friday's session.
And I already made money. So.
And Nick is already making money, has made money, is making money. He's in a long, so he's rewarding himself with a game. Me, on the other hand, I haven't made money yet.
That's okay.
But I have my Switch charging, so I'm ready.
Come on, a second W for the king.
Damn it, Russell. You started off really strong, Russell. Come on. Don't let him get to your head.
Yeah, now he has to do it. The thing is, he can't win anymore. He can only tie.
Damn it. What happens at a tie? We didn't talk about that.
Well, technically, it's over now. We can still play the fourth one, but...
No, but what happens at a tie? Like, does he still...
Well, nothing. Nothing happens at a tie.
I don't think that's fair. I feel like he deserves something.
What did the poll say?
The poll said...
The poll said 65% Russell. That's crazy.
Yeah. They do.
You guys suck at betting.
MVP training, that is the wrong channel. Not here.
Oh, you little fuck.
Bavine says, so tune in to watch Mario Kart on Mondays. Actually, no. Tune in to watch Mario Kart on Fridays with us. A tie is everyone's waste of time, Celine. I know. We need to give something away at a tie. Otherwise, it's boring.
No. What am I working here for? Come on, I need to get some pleasure as well, and I only get that by beating him or tying, and then nothing happens, which is completely fine.
Can we make this a prediction bet on Kashi? Imagine that. Well, we do have the prediction tournament coming up with the World Cup.
Good call. Nice transition.
So be ready to put your gambling to the test with the World Cup very soon.
Russell, where are you? What are you doing there?
You 1 hour gap tap, G4Geo. Where are we on NQ now?
The thing is, I don't even need a tie to beat Russell, you know? I can just beat him like that. Do a 3-2-1. I win 3 games, he wins 1. Look, he doesn't stand a chance. He's so far back.
I feel like he gave up.
Easy.
I feel like he just...
Boom. Russell, I can officially say now, you suck.
I'm sad about that, Russell. I really had high hopes there in the beginning. He did look good. He was looking good.
Should have bet on me, chat. Should have bet on me.
You failed us, Russell. Glückwunsch.
You should have bet on me, chat.
Glückwunsch.
It's three games versus 1. I mean, it's not even close. Just too easy. Look at that crown. So beautiful. Oh my God, so beautiful.
All right, let's turn that off now.
No, we're going to do another one after when your Switch is charged in like 10 minutes.
I don't know if I'm ready to get sorted by the charts and then on Mario Kart.
Well, Russell, giveaway denied. Let's see, what's my trade doing? Oh, chat, we're only up 320 points now. Oh no.
Oh no, 320 points.
Oh no.
These shorts played out.
G4G says, I did bet on you, Nick. Well, G4G, I do believe you that. You and Inizio, you guys are, and Cheeseballs, you guys are the OG Nick supporters. So thank you. Thank you.
Celine excuse count about to keep growing.
Well.
All right, there's a lot to learn from this trading I did today. There's a lot to learn.
Okay, what are the lessons? What are the learnings?
You want to talk about it?
Yeah, Roman, let's take off the Mario Kart screen for a bit while she does that.
All right, let's talk about what we're seeing here. So basically, this is initially I had a nice entry for a short here, although I wasn't 100%. I took this on evals because the reason I'm not 100% at shorting at this level is because we had just closed bullish. If we go to the high time frame, we had just closed above these equal highs, Asia high, and we had closed market. We had broken and closed above this swing high on the 50-minute as well. So shorting from here was a bit less likely given that previous day high was the next target to reach, in my opinion. So took the short, was expecting to short into here, but it didn't play out. That was the first loss. Second mistake was assuming and being married to this idea that just because previous day high is sitting there, that we have to go and take it before running down. So obviously, like, looking at past data helps with this, knowing how many times, like if I had the stats on there, how many times does previous day high get swept before we get that reversal in the London session? I don't have the stats on that. That is something that could really help on a day like this, because seeing it there, it was just the context I was given the trade was that it has to run higher. It has to take that previous day high. It has to. And I was using terminology like that when really that's not the case. Like, NQ doesn't need to go and take that previous day high. It can, and most days it does, but it shouldn't be a reason for me not to enter when I'm getting a sell entry there to short. I should have at least been taking that trade, at least because it had everything else great about the short, except for the fact it was so close to the previous day high. I could have just allowed my stop to be just a bit above that level. And then, as I was saying, I wanted to be shorting from this previous day high level, which is literally around the 780 area, 783. And the entry I would have had was like 10 points below that. So it wouldn't have even been such a bad idea to just be in that short, have a stop that was a little bit larger, even 5 to 10 points, but still being in the trade. So that is something to consider there with the trades I took today. Something I will journal and reflect on, absolutely, because then I won't do this again. But stupid things like that is what will really, and when you get too much into married to a certain thing that has to play out in the markets, when it just doesn't work like that. Nothing has to happen repetitively the same every single day. And the less I think about it like that, the more it'll help me. So there you go. That is the lesson. Maybe some of you could learn from that with me, because I'm still learning, guys. I still will make mistakes, but that is that.
Good reflection. I like it.
If I don't reflect, then I'm not growing, right? You always got to be reflecting, journaling your trades. Otherwise, you won't get anywhere. So that's one definitely going down in the books.
Everybody put a W, Celine, in the chat for that. Because, trading on stream live in front of hundreds and hundreds of people isn't easy. Taking a loss is even harder. And then being honest about it and reflecting live in front of everybody is even harder. So big W for Celine.
Well, and with that being said, my fiance has just brought me the Switch. It has now got charge. So we can do it. All right.
I sent you the code in the back end, so you can join the room. Once you joined, I will share it publicly, so everybody else can join too. Kiss says Selena's a legend. www.
Kiss, it's gonna be a long time. I can't wait, because we're gonna have a meetup in London, and it's been a long-awaited meetup. So that's gonna be great fun. Now, someone please tell me what's going on with my Switch. Ready to start system update. Update will not take long. Update now. Yes.
No, those updates don't take long. They don't take long.
All right.
Stereo says, Celine, what message would you tell your older self? Well, usually we do that with younger self, no? That doesn't even make sense.
That's like looking into the future. What would I tell my older self? No, actually, I have nothing. That's kind of weird.
Yeah, it doesn't make much sense.
No.
Mix Lionheart says, "Big W, Celine. She'll get her Birkin back soon. I think she wants a Rolex first. I'm not sure, but
no, you're right. The Rolly.
Unfortunately, I'm going to take the 10K off her, and she'll have to wait a little bit longer after.
Actually,
the paddle battle.
That paddle day is probably the day I buy the Rolly. I'll like win the tournament. I'll take the bags of cash and I'll go right to the Rolly store.
The chicken yesterday was like, "Wait, is Celine for real? Because she's not going to pay if she loses." And I said, "No, it's not going to be a problem because we're all going to be bringing cash, and then we give it to the referee, and the referee hands everything to the winner." And he says, "Like, oh, okay, yeah, then it makes sense."
Wait, but why does Chicken not say I'm not? Why does Chicken say I'm not going to pay?
Well, do you really want me to explain that?
Yeah, yeah, I do actually. Chicken, does he want to explain himself there?
Okay, well, when do I receive my 250K Lightning funded account? That I won months.
To be honest,
ago?
That's not mine to give away. That's why. That's not mine to give away.
Okay, sure.
Sure. Wait. Oh, please sign into your Nintendo account again. Why has it signed me out? I hate this.
Sign back in.
All right. 1 second, chat. Why does this always take so long?
Quantum, we're all going to be bringing the prize money cash, and then the referee gets to keep it and only gives it to the winner. So you have to pay to even enter the match. That's the whole point. And I'm flying to Greece to her. I'm flying to her so that she can't give the excuse of my flight was canceled or I couldn't make it or I was too busy. So I'm even paying for my flight to get there. I'm paying money to even play the game, right? And then I even double the prize money. So it's all against me. Everything is stacked against me.
Good. You are too slow, Grandma Celine. Guys, I'm on the OG Switch as well. Like, you got to give it some time. It's an older console.
It's okay. Everybody get your Switches ready. Because we're going to be doing a team race. And whichever team wins gets a 25K growth account. Everybody from that team. And if Celine has a higher score at the end than I have, everybody gets a 50K growth account.
Okay.
Well, Quantum, was your username Kefas before? Did you change from Kefas to Quantum?
We're connecting.
Okay, nice.
All right.
No, Marcos, you can't chicken out anymore because we said if somebody fails to appear, they have to pay. They automatically forfeit and they lose. Oh, there she is. Okay, chat. Here's the code. The code is GD4LW. GD4LW. So if you have a Switch...
record timing.
Oh, not 3LW. Sorry, my bad. If you have a Switch, then join the Mario Kart room with this code right now. We need at least 10 people. Actually 9. So Celine, me, and 9 people. Actually, it's stupid. 8. Celine, me, and 8 people. Math, not mathing today.
Welcome to.
Oh, there we got 4. Nice.
Oh, that was quick. You guys were ready.
4 more. Russell is back.
Keith, are you playing this one?
Russell is coming back for revenge. But guess who has the crown? Guess who has the crown?
We should have started a new lobby because we can't have you already with the crown.
I deserve it, to be fair.
We don't like that.
I didn't want to be one, so.
I want to know if Kiz is playing, and if so, she'll be on my team.
G for Gio, I love how you called me out and then you called yourself out. That's funny. That's funny. Well, Marcos, we did that last time that Celine had one more player.
Give Celine a chance to make it. Did we?
Yeah, it was a 5v4.
Yeah, but who had Brandon? Who had Mario Kart King?
I have Brandon.
Yeah. Hello. That's unfair.
Okay, we're 7 people right now. Should we do 7?
Let's go. No, we need to wait.
Okay, one more.
Keys is in there, she said.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah, she's there. So we need one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need one more person. Anybody with a Nintendo Switch and Mario Kart 8, join the lobby right now with the code GD4LW.
By the way, Chad, this is for a giveaway. We don't just play Mario Kart for nothing.
Yeah. Everybody from the winning team gets a 25k growth account. And if Celine beats me score-wise after the 4 races, everybody will get a 50k growth account who is on the winning team.
I'm going to win it, guys. This is the one to be in.
Okay, I'll give you...
Name the game.
One more minute. One more minute.
What?
One more minute to join.
Yes, 1 more minute to join, but I was going to say, Jat, this is Mario Kart. If you don't know what Mario Kart is, I can't help you.
Yeah, then you didn't have a childhood.
Oh, is Roman playing guitar in the back?
Apparently.
Roman? They said, didn't realize that was Roman. He's so good. W Roman. That's right. You guys are getting a free Roman guitar show just because he's the GOAT.
And we're gonna do the wheel to see if somebody's on blue or red team.
Stereo says, in what world was Sling beat Nick in all 4?
Okay,
Stereo.
we're gonna go ahead and start. It's gonna be uneven, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna do with teams. Here we go. Everybody always has to choose random. Okay, I'm team blue, Celine is team red. First, we're gonna spin for Ryan. Let's see if Ryan is on red or blue. Ryan is gonna be blue. Okay, Ryan, you go over to my team. Okay, then next up is Russell. Is Russell gonna be red or blue? Let's see.
We can't see a Switch screen, by the way.
Doesn't matter. Russell is also blue. Okay, Russell, we're together. You better play well, please. Not like you did before. And then next up is P Ghost. P Ghost is gonna be.
If he's on blue, then the rest are automatically on my team.
Yeah, that's correct. But he is red.
Okay.
P Ghost is red.
We spin.
And then we got Kids.
No, Kids is mine.
Well, we'll see. Oh shit! Wait, I gotta give you Kiss, and I give you Chain too, because the timer is going down.
Okay.
So it's a 4v3. You have 4 people.
All right, let's do this.
Yeah, I had to do it because the timer was going down. Roman, let's go to my screen, please, and pull up the Mario Kart. Thank you. All right, random.
Let's do this.
Let's see. I said the winning team, everybody gets a 25k growth account, guaranteed. And if Celine beats me score-wise, then everybody who is on the winning team gets a 50k growth account instead of a 25k growth account. All right, here we go. First track. You ready, Celine?
Oh, I'm ready.
Nice. Let's get it. Let's get it done.
Let's do this.
Team blue versus team red. Team blue, we gotta win this. We gotta bring it home. Here we go.
Okay, rough start, but I'm here.
Nice, Ryan. Good work so far. Very good.
Shut up, Nick. Very good.
Yeah, blue team's crushing it. Blue team is crushing it right now.
Come on, red team. Don't let them get in your heads.
Blue team is crushing it right now. Oh,
Literally
shit.
right behind you.
got absolutely smoked right here. Okay, who's this red person here?
It's me.
No, it's not you. Why are you lying? What is this track even?
I don't even know. Oh shit.
Hey, Kiss. Oh no, the green shell got me. Damn it. I've never seen this track. What is this?
Neither. This must be someone's internet back or whatever. Oh my god.
Oh, there's Celine.
Oh, are you behind me?
Yeah, I'm right behind you. Oh, I saw you fall off, so.
I just got you. Haha.
Yeah,
Oh.
Shit. Oh, damn it. No,
Oh,
she's
if I
ahead
beat
of me.
Nick, I'll be so happy.
Oh,
Boost. Oh.
boom, in front of Celine. That was the most important thing.
I almost got it.
Okay, nice work, blue team. Nice work.
Where did we end? Ooh, chain main. Nice, nice, nice. And P goes.
Still a
All right,
chance for
kids, we got a
everybody.
lift.
Why is the music so depressive? I don't know. Roman, can you play something not depressive? All right. You want to know why I overtook you in the end, Celine?
Why? Because you drifted?
Because I drift and flip.
I flip. I just don't drift.
Oh, well. Didn't flip enough. All right. Team Blue in the lead right now. Maybe, Russell, you still get an account now if we win this. If we win this, you still get an account. Why are you guys dancing, Kiss and Celine?
Let's do this. I don't know. Kids, we got a lift. We're holding it. We're not
Come
doing
on, everybody, push that button. We're waiting. Was it you who didn't press the button?
No, it wasn't.
Oh, man. All right. Here comes the next one. Oh, okay. The OG track.
All right, this one I can win. Well, I've just got to beat you, right?
Yeah, you're just gonna beat me to get everybody to get a 50k growth.
Oh no,
account
I'm getting a
instead of-
console very low warning. No, no, no.
Sounds
We
like a
have
you
to
problem.
last. Got you, Russell. Hope you enjoyed that shell.
Shit.
Oh, this one you really need to drift, actually.
Oh, really? I didn't know. Thanks for letting me know. Come on now. Very good. So far, so good. Blue team, we got this.
Come on, red team, what are we doing?
got this.
Why is it only giving us shells or mushrooms? Where is all the other good items?
I don't know.
There we go. I'll take that. Oh no, I think I took out one of my own.
Yeah,
Sorry.
that's not so smart.
Oh no, we need something.
That's not very smart, Celine.
Oh my gosh, I did it again.
Oh, blue shell.
I'm panicked. Sorry, I'm taking out my own team here. I'm
Oh, I
panicked.
defended the blue shell. Let's go. Nobody's gonna get me now. Nobody's gonna get me now. I defended the fucking blue shell.
All right. I have to do something extraordinary here.
Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Chat, how are we liking this? How are we liking this? Is this gonna be a W? Gonna be a clean W? Hell yeah, it is. Let's fucking go, chats. Boom.
Really?
Boom.
Pretty.
All right, my trade right now, while the others finish the trades, I am up still 340 points. So
Again.
nothing I can do here. I can't really take profit. Well, I could, but I don't want to. And I can't really add to it because we are too high. We're not in drawdown. So we just continue the race. Everybody, make sure you press the button. Make sure you press the button.
We got to do this quick, guys, because my Switch is on like 3% already.
Uh-oh, chat. The queues is loading.
Oh, it's true. How can I show you, chat? I got it during that race.
Hey, the crown looks good on us, Team Blue.
Oh, come on, Team Red. We got to do this. I need a win today. And Hugh has cooked me well and truly today. Find a way to charge.
All right.
Goodness, Akizi. No, that's too much.
She doesn't like charging her Switch. Everybody, what's happening? It's not
Why
continuing.
are we frozen?
Oh, there we go. Oh, it's Sydney. It's the Opera in Sydney, no?
Oh, nice. The Sydney Sprint. All right, that's me and Kiz. We got this.
What track is that? I have never seen that.
I don't know either, but I should know this map back to front.
True. Aussie.
Yes. We've got this, Kiz.
Okay, here we go. Come on.
Okay, great start. Great start.
Oh shit! Almost fucking shot my own teammate.
Oh,
Almost.
what? How did he not even make it?
Nice, Ryan. Nice, Ryan. Good drifting. Ryan, you're crushing it. Good drifting, sir. I like it.
All right, I'm coming for everybody. Yeah.
No, Ryan, you threw that banana at me. Come on now. Ryan, you can't go against your own teammate. Russell, I'm behind you, so don't throw anything back.
Kiz, I'm right here. Don't shoot me. Kiz!
Oh, shit.
Oh, she killed me. I'm happy that I'm not actually coming last.
You're not? Well, one of your team is, for sure, but maybe not you.
Not me. Kids, get off the grass.
Oh, no.
All right, Russell's in front of me now. Oh, I missed all the ramps. No.
I love the ramps. It was nice. Ryan, good work. Russell, good work. We're all in the lead, as it should be.
Come on, who's got the bullet? Tell me that's one of me. Who is that? Is that one of mine?
Very nice, Russell. I'm right next to you, so don't do anything stupid.
Oh my gosh, I can't make this ramp jump. Why? This is a horrible... Really? I'm going to come 7th in the... What the hell is this?
Nice. I love those ramps. Good, good. Very good. Team Blue, we're killing it.
Guys, I'm really far behind now. I've really cooked this one.
Really nice, Team Blue.
No good.
Into the Opera.
Into the opera? The opera.
The Opera. Sorry, my bad. Okay, here you go.
What?
Boom.
Why can't Cooper Trooper make that jump each and every time? He can't do it. Why?
Oh, Russell, did I just shoot you? Sorry.
Nick, I got a DNF.
You got a DNF?
I did not finish.
Oh, God. Well, chat, it's not looking like you're getting 50k growth. Sorry. Sorry, Russell. The triple shell was me, Russell. I shot it backwards.
Seriously.
Not bad. Okay, last one. Somebody dropped out, it looks like.
Oh, my thing just died. You know what?
Well, Celine was last already. It doesn't matter.
That's a sign. I cannot believe I did not even finish that race. That's terrible.
Okay, last one. Market still not going anywhere where I can do anything about it, so I have to wait. Celine, any setups for you?
Nope.
We need 70 more likes for another giveaway, by the way.
Can we?
Okay, this is the last race. Last race incoming. Goodness, Giza says, what do you mean? I can't believe you failed to charge. Well, at least you can play 3 races out of 4. It wouldn't do her any good if she played the 4th one too, so it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, that last race in Sydney, that was not my best. For some reason, every time Creeper Trooper took off the ramp and like the kite thing comes, he could never make that jump.
That's okay.
Got to work on those jumps.
Fucking Koopa Troopa, that's why I play Shy Guy. Okay, here we go. Last
All right,
one.
blue team, bring us back somehow. Don't let me down.
You know that we are blue team, right?
Red team, red team. Damn it, red team. Do me
She's not even rooting for you anymore, red team. Damn, they shelled me. No.
Nice. Come on.
No, messed up. Sorry, blue team. We're still gonna win. Doesn't matter if I messed up or not. Russell, I'm behind you. Don't throw anything back, please. Oh no, Russell, I'm so stupid. That was me.
Let's go, red team. Come on. I believe in you.
Come on, I need something good. I need something good. Give me something good. Yep, let's see. What a fucking red shell. Bah. Yeah, well. Well.
Damn, this is not looking
Ryan, I'm
good for
behind.
us.
Ryan, I'm behind you. Don't throw it back.
Throw it, Ryan.
Oh shit! Sorry, I killed you, Ryan. My bad.
Wow. That's what your team leader does?
I'm sorry. I didn't even do it on
What a
purpose.
team
What is
lead.
this? That was so stupid. I died literally in the tunnel, and it took forever to get out of it. That's crazy.
This
That's a
is great.
scam.
Red team, we still have a chance here. Maybe.
That was a scam, I swear. Everybody saw that. That was a big fat scam. No, Russell. No. Nice. Clean. Oh, shit.
Oh, well. Yet another loss for my team.
Oh, damn it. Yep. Too easy, chat. Too easy.
Red team, we needed the win there. I needed a win to
Nice, Ryan. Nice, Russell. So Russell, you still get a free account. Look at that. 29 points more, and we got 69. Nice. So, too easy.
Oh, guys, I don't know. I don't know. What are we going to do? Yes, maybe that trade coded enigma, maybe that affected my mood and my ability to play. Maybe that's why.
Well, so Ryan and Russell, make sure to send a photo of your Switch screen to my Instagram at nickmtrades alongside your email address. Your email address in a separate message, please, so I can copy paste it. And you're getting a 25k growth count each. Congratulations.
Congrats, guys.
Congratulaciones.
Kid says, I'm used to playing 50cc against my 5-year-old Soz team. I'll be practicing all week.
50.
Me and you both, kids. We got to be
50cc is way too slow. We're not doing that. All right. Well, chat. With that being said, it's time to say goodbye for just a little while. We're going to be back at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time with our normal New York stream schedule. Obviously, put a big fat W in the chat if you love the stream. Put a big L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of it, every second, every millisecond. I hope you didn't. So we'll see you later. But before we leave, Celine, any last motivational words for the chat?
I'm full porting. Full porting.
Wait, are you in a trade right now?
Yeah, have a look.
No, wait. Roman, pull it up again, please. Oh, she is full boarding. I'm
in this. I don't have much drawdown left, but I'm having a crack at the shorts here. Let's see. Let's see if these accounts. I'll come back tomorrow and let you know if these 2 accounts are still alive. Or you'll have to come back.
How many contracts are you in?
Only two, but we'll see. I'm not.
Chicken,
I stop loss.
You put an L in there.
No stop loss.
Hey, nice. You're learning. Chicken, I see you put an L in there. Fuck you, chicken.
Anyway, but other than that, guys, thanks for today. Hope there is a lesson in there. There definitely is for me. Hope there isn't a lesson in there for you guys as well. Always enjoy the stream. I will come back caffeinated and ready to go tomorrow to smash it out here. And make sure you're there for the New York stream as well. Other than that, love you guys. And I'll see you 7 a.m. UK tomorrow for the London session. Peace.
Yep. Peace.
Bye.